the stove. Yellow AP on all of my hoes. I like when they wet on the toes. Picture me riding around in the roads. I put some ice on my wrist, it was swole. Still ain't got time to lay over with you hoes.
Made that struggle, yeah, look too tough. Yeah, crush, I bring cup, bring crush. Yeah, fuck nigga hoes, I ain't got lust. Black man, big cat, make him give it up. Diamond camera G, so you know they waiting for. Heard you being with me, so you ain't cuffed up. Now I got your main hoe in my truck. How you tryna crush me out there and say you love me? What the hell you talking about, you ain't there for us. If I get it on your head, I ain't letting no. If I get it on your heart, I ain't letting no. Please watch your mouth. Let's go. Please watch your mouth. Please watch your house. Please watch your spouse. But you so counterfeit and fake, I been cut you off. I did what I did, I know what I took, cause you cut me out. When I'm on that Henny, you hear my clutch, you hear my exhaust. Yeah, I came from the bottom, I came from a place where you don't make it up. I own a trap house on Cullen Road, you know ain't no joke. We're those soul money from we came from the south. Rocking the same clothes, running over when we came out the house. Still had all the hoes, nigga playing, we airing them out. My mama don't want for shit, little nigga, so what is the draw? Terrorist threats, long threat. When I come through, young bum, young land. Yeah, we like flex, and we got a check. Nigga play with check, yeah, we smashing like a can. Talking like a nick, till I got tech. Start swinging up, just like a skin. No more stress, got it on my chest. Throwing back shot, wait, keep the break. I'ma keep it going all the way. Lifestyle never penny hard away. Yeah, we got over them starving days. Came from those flipping the hard away. Young nigga living like a sensei. Straight from the dome, no pen and paper. Cuffing that bitch, he meant to save. My balls in the mouth like a lifesaver. Can't help me, I can help you get back on your feet. Yeah, exotic off the trees. Getting red hot from smoking all the weed. No, please, cash it right out, just check the receipt. I just miss money. Wi-Fi drill, I connect the streets. Baby, made I struggle, yeah, nigga too tough. Yeah, crush, I ain't bring cup, bring crush. Yeah, fuck nigga hoes, I ain't got lust. Black man, big cat, make him give it up. Diamond came for G, so you know I waited for. Heard you being with me, now you ain't cuffed up. Now I got your main hoe in my truck. How you tryna crush me out there and say you love me? What the hell you talking about, you ain't there for us. If I get it on your head, I ain't letting no. If I get it on your heart, I ain't letting no. Please watch your mouth. Let's go. Please watch your mouth. Please watch your house. Please watch your spouse. Boy, you so counterfeit and fake, I been cut you off. I did what I did, I know what I took, cause you cut me out. When I'm on that Henny, you hear my clutch, you hear my exhaust. Yeah, I came from the bottom, I came from a place where you don't make it out. I own a trap house on Cullen Road, you know ain't no drought.
It's crazy. My grandma, my daddy, that's real love. My daughter, that's real love. My mama, that's real love.
Sunset in LA, you know where you done came from. Shit beautiful. Came from nothing, something. We did.
Got a long way to go, but I'm closer than ever. I should never belt, I should never sweater. I go through a lot, but I keep it together. I'm pulling up for 100 and better. It's a real bliss storm in this motherfucking bells. I put my heart out, I wrote me a letter. A nigga so rich, yeah, they calling me treasure. I'm styling, I'm wildin', got sticks, I ain't hiding. My bitch, exotic, like some from the islands. My peace, so sacred, I stay by violence. LA.
Good morning, everybody. My bad, I'm here with Miguelito talking. And yeah, I saw one of the first questions was Brick. Brick asked, hey, what did you do, dog? Did you think about my offer bot? That's what you guys offer bot us. Oh, Sahil, what account management have you traded with Funded Trader Plus? What are you looking for? Have we traded Funded Trader Plus? Wait, have we traded Funded Trader? Because the Funded Trader we traded, but is it like a plus account or is it the Funded Trader Plus? That's the question that I have for you. Maybe I'll open the spreadsheet.
Yeah, they talking about doing this and that, but you know they scared. Nigga, man, but they bankroll income ain't coming in yet. Got a long way to go, but I'm closer than them. I should never belt, I should never sweater. I go through a lot, but I keep it together. I'm pulling up for 100 and better. It's a real bliss storm in this motherfucking bells. I put my heart out, I wrote me a letter. A nigga so rich, yeah, they calling me trash.
Hey Bullish, can you suggest some good prop firms which has no issues with the payouts? My brother, right now, currently, I would go with FTMO, right? Miguel, majority of the accounts we're trading live are FTMO. The funded trader and FTMO, like the live accounts that we're trading. Smart prop, funded trader, and FTMO. Oh shit. My bad. Low mic sound. I fixed it. So the best prop firms I'd recommend would be the funded trader, Smart Prop. Smart Prop pays out. That's one of our first live accounts we started managing for a client. We've shown in the testimonials that we've cashed out $10,000. Then right now we're cashing out another $6,000. FTMO has always been a good one. We have some FTMO accounts that they always, you know, come through.
Ask him if this one is not the prop firm that you have to like put stop loss, yes or yes.
Is the funded trader plus the prop firm that you have to put a stop loss, yes or yes? Because Miguel here that helps me, you know, organize everything, because says that he's not familiar if we've had one of those accounts, and I think
we had.
We had, and then we had a problem with it because of that.
No, you buy the extension.
Oh, you buy the extension.
Yeah.
You let me know. I haven't seen you say anything, Sahil, but you just let me know, brother. Oof, dude, I'm gonna fucking sell. I'm gonna sell here. Yeah, but I'm not. I needed you to help me connect most of the accounts right now, but whatever. I don't even want to take all the. I'm gonna take one trade, and it's gonna be on whatever account I choose. And then after that, after the stream, I'm gonna text you. Well, I'm gonna write down on a paper what I want.
I'll tell you now.
Tell you now?
Yeah,
Is that I need it all on a paper. I have no idea. I need to map it out. I need to see all the accounts that are on like phase 2. I need to see all the accounts that are on the phase 1. I need to see all the accounts that are live, and then say, all right, I want this with this. They're all important. I understand that. What? So then just connect them all together. You connect for me. 3 different batches. No. You have them all together right now? No, they don't. No, they're not. Oh. That's good though. You're in a 20 lot fucking trade right now and you're fucking up. In this trade. Alright, yo gang, what it do? Everybody, I'll go. Yes sir, dude. The sells. Man, I thought the sells were valid yesterday. Man, I felt like they're still valid, even above this level. I guess we had a bias above here level. We got stopped out, got the bias wrong. Price is just still, man, before price like was going up and news hit, I was looking at it, I'm like, man, there's no way this goes bullish, bro. Look at the daily. The daily just reminds me of what yesterday. Like yesterday we didn't break any highs. We almost did. She should make it easier. I might just do an FTMO. Dude, FTMO is just the way to go nowadays. But like, I don't know. I said back then in a stream that I don't want to recommend any more accounts because I randomly went from FTMO. Oh no, I went from FTMO to top tier. I was trading top tier a lot, and then out of nowhere, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go with the this fucking bullshit that won the frozen funds, due to the fact that I was like, oh, you know what? 8% profit target, 12% drawdown. I was like, you know what? And then I liked the fucking way the website looked. I liked the fucking. I thought the broker was dope. You know, sounded cool. And no, I was just getting fucked, and then I got double fucked. FTMO is banned in India, bro. Jesus. I fucking banned stuff in... yes, I trade HTF. We shall pull back a bit more. It's huge. Oof, how's everybody doing tonight, though, boys? I'm feeling fucking fresh on energy right now. Ugh. I'm drinking my Celsius. We're out of the range. The bans never stop me. Saxy's still going at it. How's everything, Saxy? Dale has me really worried though. I think I'm gonna text Dale personally. I'm gonna be like, hey, what the fuck? There's no need. You gotta be straight up with people. Like, there's no need to shy away from anything. Especially when we got more to lose than he does. Because it's in his hands. Yeah, and then I don't know where they're gonna fucking change the fucking bullshit on us. And then I know where he's gonna be like, oh, business opportunity came up, I gotta go. No, but not if you can't change the password. I'm pretty sure it logs you out or it doesn't log you out. You gotta email them anonymous when you email them. Fuck. Hey, yo, Duncan, can you talk to me after the stream? I am in danger. You bought us. I answered you, but I didn't. Oh, I'm not gonna open up right here. I'm gonna make sure. Can I? I'm gonna read what you sent. If you sent me something. No, AJ didn't tell me anything. Can you just send it to me and I won't open it? I just want to know what the fuck. You got me all worried now. Yeah. Alright, boys. Well, the way that GJ is looking right now, I honestly don't see it retracing. Like, we are at a major level where we consider this as major levels of support where we could be expecting bounces. But the way that we have just been rejecting these levels up here and then just making, like, I mean, remember, the main reason we were bearish yesterday was due to the fact that we were just making these higher lows and holding these higher lows very strong. I got you, Hoon. I just barely read your message, and I think I understand what you mean. I think that you're saying that you have a giveaway VIP, but you also have subscription, and then you won the VIP giveaway, and you just waited for the month to end, and you were expecting the VIP giveaway to go, and then I know where the VIP started. I think I know how to fix that. I'm gonna right now make sure, just double check with me after stream, and I'll make sure I'll get that fixed. Whatever, however I fix that, if that's the problem, I'll fix it. And should I write the thing, Duncan? Yes, write to me. I'm not gonna open up the message. Write to me, Badas. What is wrong with you? Does Miguel know? How come you haven't contacted Miguel? Miguel right now, Miguel and many of the... Do you care when I ever say it? I'm pretty sure you don't give a fuck. Miguel right now is in some fucking 20 lot Euro USD sells. I'm like, hella motherfuckers accounts. So if you guys are in the stream right now and you guys are in this Euro USD sell, fucking $2,000 deep. Yeah, that's Miguelito. Miguelito's just... Who said it? Who said it yesterday? Everybody was like, yo, Miguel's a cheat code. Supposedly you've doing really good on live stream. The VIPs, they said Miguel's a cheat code. And then I go and I looked at the Discord and this guy's just been hitting TP, and I don't even remember the last time I hit a goddamn TP. Got me a little frustrated. Whew! TP 25 pips. TP. I don't think there was a TP there. TP. Nope, stop loss. Yo, Miguel's been slaughtering, bruh. Manny's back. No way. I bought Manny. If you're not aware, I gifted Luke an account. I'm not sure where Luke is, but I gifted Luke an account. Then we gifted, and I don't even call them gifts. I feel like these people earn them. Well, we gave an account to Luke because he earned an account. Then we gave an account to Century, who's not here, who earned the account also. We didn't give nothing. And he's up on the account. Ooh! And we gave an account to Baras. And Baras is still surviving out there. He came back. How do you know? He just lets you know? Dude, I've been out of date, boys. I've been in Vegas. Boys! I'm not even going to say it. I'm not even going to talk about it. Not even going to talk about it. I'm just going to... Actually, I'm not even going to show it. I'm not even going to show it or talk about it. Even though I want to talk about it and show it. My new watch. Alright. I'm in line for the next account. Saxy, you definitely are around the lines of you definitely are around in the lines. Are you in the it doesn't even matter if you're in the VIP or not. Fucking love you, Saxy. Thank you for supporting the channel. Let me open up my Discord messages real quick. Oh. Let me get out of there. All right, Bottas, I got you, brother. I got you, but you need to make sure you're on point with the streams and with the fucking... You need to make sure you're on point with sending me those signals. After stream, I got you. Somewhat like that. All right, thoughts on gold. Right there. Let's look at gold. Gold was on a fucking rally, and look at this little dude. Gold has been making pretty good like fucking candlestick formations. Look at this. This looks like a head and shoulders, and it's like melting as we speak. I definitely would be looking for buys right now, dude. Gold has been doing has a mind of its own, boys. I have like when it comes down to breakdowns on gold. Every time I look at gold, I'm like, man, I see why we could look for long setups. Like we've just barely broke the support. Now coming like strong, we're definitely gonna start seeing somewhat of a fib very soon, right? Fib from down here. Oh, what's up with my computer? One second, let me erase everything. Remove. We can start seeing a fib come from this low to this high. See, we're at the 0618 level. So, like, yes, we are on a bullish uptrend here. Higher highs, higher lows. You know, it could be like a fake out break of structure due to the fact that this low is breaking out the structure right here. We could see it bounce and keep on going long, but we are at like a, you know, major level of resistance. And like, I don't know, boys. I haven't been really touching gold right now. I'm kind of focused on GJ. GJ is having pretty good clean price action. You know, we're bearish right now. With volatility comes into the session, you know, we're either going to start rejecting hard, leaving wicks to the downside, or if we keep on breaking these lows, man, let's just fucking ride the trend and catch what we can and dip. You know, something like this wouldn't even be too horrible. I'm not really this much of a breakout trader. I'm usually, you know, buys are probably what I'd be looking for. But look, there's so much bearish momentum and we're wick filling this candlestick right here. You know, like I feel like if we were gonna actually go up, we would have gone up right here. We would have gone up after this wick, you know, and now we're coming back down to this level, which we already tapped when news hits. Just, you know, and then us not breaking any of these highs since Monday, and basically since last week. So this is last week, this is Monday, this was Tuesday, this is today. You know, so this 183 level just does not, like, this is the 183 on the dot, which is the weekly flip. The weekly flip's at 183. The 183 does not want to get touched, bruh. So, like, I perfectly see why this is clean traffic to the downside. I'm not sure if you guys agree, boys. One's in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ, which is totally fine. I don't want you to agree with me. I just want to know what you guys' opinions are. One's in the chat if you guys are bullish. Two's in the chat if you guys are bearish on GBPJPY, boys. What are you guys looking for? Manny, the thing is, you come and you go, and you come and you go. How the hell am I supposed to give you an account? You just want me to be giving out free money around here to random people? I mean, you come back, but it's not that you stay. Are you actually trading currently? How about you show me an account that you traded? Like, I don't know, brother. Y'all be funny. Y'all just want fucking... I wish I had handouts. Alright, let me see... Miguel, why is my trade melting and yours isn't? What do we have? Nadeem with the sells, bearish. Can you check USD CHF? Oof, this is so clean. Damn, boy. Damn, whoever caught this, like, honestly, I mean, Ehab, this is my no trade zone. You know, this is where we could see rejections, or we're just gonna fly past. Like, I'd obviously look for buys instead of sells. The fact that we're, you know, respecting this 8 SMA, showing wick rejections to the upside. You know, look at the daily candlestick chart, just straight pure. You know, how many green candlesticks in a row have we had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yo, look, like more than fucking 10, 12 candlesticks in a row have been green in a row. Just ride the trend, boys. If you're fucking at the casino and black keeps on hitting, Ride the mother, dude. I helped Boltero make money in fucking Vegas. He was like there was like 4 blacks in a row, and he was like, I'm gonna go for the 5th one. Boom, 5th one hits, and then he makes like, he puts 20, and then 20 turns into like 40. And I don't know, I was like, dude, ride it again, ride it again. He was a little bit scared, so he only put 20 again. And then boom, it hit again. And then this time, the next call was like, only put 20. No, he goes, fuck it, let's do it again. But he put 40. So now he's up like already 40 bucks. And boom, he's up 80. Dude, this is like the 7th time. And then he goes for red. And this is where I put my first bet, and I go heavy on black. Black hits again. He loses like half the money that he would. He tried going like 40 on red. And I looked at him and I go, brother, don't go with black. Go with black. People sat down at the table. They went on black. Other people were going red. And I don't know where black hit again for the 9th time in a row, 10th time in a row, 11th time in a row. And then at that point, like, we were the only ones left on the table. And Boltero like looks at the lady, tells he goes like, I'm sorry, we gotta go. Like, you know, just like, you know. And that was the first night. That was the first gambling session. And we ended up every gambling session. Besides, I went down once when Boltero won and I didn't. But I only lost like fucking $200. And then I went back with Maria Laura to like the fucking, to a virtual roulette. Ooh, I started hitting the numbers. You know how I always start betting on the last number that hits? Like imagine 36 black hits. I'll always put my bets, and then I'll put money on 36 black and on the 0. Randomly hit the 0, boom, I'm like up hella. And I'm like, okay. And then I started hitting for the numbers, and I almost hit a jackpot, brother. So many times in a row, like you choose random numbers. And like random numbers become jackpot numbers, that if that number hits and you're on it, oof, you hit the jackpot. And like so many times I would choose like 16. I don't know where 16 was one of the jackpot numbers, and I was like, yo, come on, hit. Like, let this be that moment. Oh, and it wasn't, but oh, it was so fun gambling out there, dude.
I saw that. And you hit a jackpot out with y'all, or
huh?
I saw like one like looks like a machine thing that I hit like a jackpot. It was like 1,000 something.
Oh, my treat's turning around. Yo, what the fuck is this? Damn it. Yo, EU moves so slow. You throw a 20 long and that shit feels like anybody could throw. You could throw a goddamn 50 long on that bitch at this point. Alright, I'm gonna go back to, I need to organize myself with all these accounts that we're trading. I just got back from fucking Vegas, boys, and I left all my work behind, and there's just so much to catch up on. Damn it, dude, this trade turned around. I'm in a sell right now from like probably like here, I guess, because I'm not at break even yet. These rejections of this major level, I mean, this is the noob setup, right? This is like where people say is major levels of support. I mean, it's not a noob setup. I'm not even gonna say that. I disagree. I take that back, boys. Hey yo Duncan, I manage the webcam scene. Are you saying that you have a webcam now? What does that mean? What the hell does that mean? You manage the webcam scene. Sounds dirty. Kinda? Double bottom? Definitely is some sort of double bottom on some time frame. Like this one, I guess. Yo, Badas, what you doing, bruh? Jay Delavi sent me the video to use mobile as camera. Oh, so you're recording scenes with your camera now. Your phone camera. So you can use your mobile as a webcam. Yo, Badas, you're just digging this grave deeper and deeper. I don't even think he understands. That's crazy. Did you know I saw... Oh yeah, I told you... Oh, did we tell you we saw Nate Diaz? What? Yo, the club that we're at where the water is, where there's like a huge pool in the background. I told you, the clubs are enormous, dude. Enormous. The funniest thing in the world Boltero and me couldn't get over was... The one thing we let, alright, so we were already seeing famous people, right? And then I know where we see fucking Nate Diaz, and we're like, oh fuck. And when we see like people trying to take a photo with him, this is the first thing that you do when you see Nate Diaz in real life. This is what he was doing. He was doing this. Serious ass face. You know, took a photo with like, I don't know if it was a girl, I don't know what it was. We were just like looking. Boltero was doing the middle of a little play. And then he literally just like takes the photo like this, and that's when we start like, I was just like, yo, this is fake. He's doing what he does. And then he fucking left because a whole bunch of motherfuckers kept on trying to ask for photos and shit like that. He went to the main bar. Well, not to the main bar, one of the bars, which is where I was. Marielada was dead, so I was in a little bit of the distance. Botero was right next to him, literally, actually, with the people that he was with in a way, because he was getting that from that. Oh. And then one of the people that were hanging out with Nate Diaz basically pulled up, and they were in the same little area. And then I don't know where I see them. Botero was like, "Yo, look!" And then he goes, "Yeah, this is whatever." And then that's when that happened.
Were you talking to him?
No. Talked to the boy that was with Botero. Botero left after that, and I saw it. And I was like, "Oh, that guy's leaving. That guy's leaving." I was like, "Did Botero go get him?" I was like, "I wanted to go get him," but then I saw how serious he was, and I was like, "Oh, like okay, like you definitely." No, like dude, you turn around, see Nate Diaz, he's like this, serious, and out of nowhere, like people are asking for photos, and all he does is this. I was like, there's no way this is happening. That's what he does, you know he puts up his arms. It's so cool. Right now I'm not trading, bro. Gold 5-minute morning star. Which one's the morning star formation? I'm not really familiar. Bearish hammer bow. Dude, the fuck, GJ? Ugh. Why do I want like I'd love for GJ to go long because I thrive the best when GJ goes long as a trader. My strategy works best while GJ is rallying long or rallying in general, because if it's rallying short, I'm gonna catch the same move, it's the same price action but upside down. But my strategy works well when we're rallying. Now, could I make it work well when we're in ranges? Yes, but it's a little bit more aggressive, so like we breeze by whenever fucking price is just fucking rallying. That's the best way to put it. That's where our win streaks on stream has come from. Whenever price is just showing clear higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, maybe some fake outs to the downside, and we catch those, understanding their liquidity grabs. So that's like the price action that I love coming to the charts too. Whenever we're in the middle of a range right now and it looks like we're a little bit bearish and we've just been choppy for the last 3 days, it kind of beats me up, man. All right, you wanted to go long because your name is Bullish Lifestyle, not Bearish Lifestyle. That's exactly the fucking point. We buy 3, 4, 5. No running trades only next week. We buy 3, 4, 5. No, I didn't understand that part. Dunk, how was your trip? My trip was great. Bearish Lifestyle is Miguel. Literally, the dude's in a fucking cell right. Oh, my trade. I'm gonna close at break even, boys. Damn, dude. You're not scared about EU at all, Miguel, right now?
I'm not scared at all.
Oh. When do you think you're gonna want a website, video edits, or any graphic design work done? Soon. That's what Miguel said on my right hand side. There's somebody who offered me, some guy, SS Brick, said, when do you, look, I need to blow my nose, so I'm gonna go blow my nose real quick. But SS Brick, if you know how to contact Miguel on my right hand side, he's somebody who could probably, get back to you a lot more concrete with what could be done. I'm gonna go blow my nose real quick. 30 seconds, boys. Oh, we don't even have paper towels right now. Fuck. I bought a huge ass motherfucking packet. And Danny uses it for the goddamn dog. And then he bought another packet right after because he used my packet in 2 days. And then again he used it on the dog. I want to leave a Celsius. I know how to get it, poker in my mama house. $1 million business, I ain't never
I'm knowing I ain't hearing not a young nigga saying double back twice in a row. 3-3 bitches planes all in my home. First street, tell it out when I make a song. Let my brother day, he ain't make it home.
Manny, you from India? Manny is from Nepal. Or man, I don't know if he's from Nepal, but he lives in Nepal. All right, boys. What are we doing tonight? Did we got anybody in any trades so far? We are 36 minutes into the session. GJ looks... Dude, get out of this range, though, bro. Like, fuck, man. I know it's bad to show frustration in the charts, but it's frustrating that... This is the 4-hour candlestick chart. So if we have a 4-hour candlestick chart all the way up to here... In about 16, so this is 4 days of price action. 4 days of price action on GJ. We have moved 100 pips total. Well, like from lengthwise. You guys understand like what I'm saying. In 4 days, boys. 4 days. 103 pips. Watch the screen. I'm not lying. Look, this is the 4-hour candlestick chart, right? We start from right here. Right there. Now let's count. It counts all the bars. So it says we have 16 bars. 16 bars is 4 days, and it shows right above it 104 pips. 104 pips in 4 days. Honestly, we're gonna sell every time the price goes up and fucking buy every time price goes down. Just straight range trade this bitch. Whoever's been buying, you know, doing what I say, preaching what I do, you know, whoever's been doing what I preach has been successful. Buy whenever price is falling, sell whenever it's going up. I'm opening up another Celsius when I already got one open. It's like a double trouble. The turnaround in you? Oh. All right, what would a 30 pip trade around here look like? 30 pip trade would basically put us at what happened yesterday, where we say, hey, if the weekly flips bullish, we're gonna take buys. If the weekly does not flip bullish, we get stopped out. Is that another position that we want to put ourselves into? Not blindly. I'm not gonna blindly take a sell, but I'm definitely gonna consider the fact that I'm not convinced on the daily candlestick chart. I'm not convinced on the weekly candlestick chart that we are bullish. I'm not convinced. Now, I have seen many times, for example, if we look at the weekly chart, it is a common theme for price to break the weekly, trade beneath the weekly, and then recover it strongly. Because why? This is a huge fake out move due to the fact that once we start trading beneath the weekly, and especially after a wick rejection like this, people get convinced that we have to take sells, and then we have huge bearish momentum, hence this bearish momentum that we had, or just this been, and then out of nowhere we trade beneath the 8, and then we just recover the 8 completely and fake out all the sellers. You know, so it's like here we're triggering in the sellers. People are taking profit. Now the noobs are getting triggered in. Right when the noobs start getting triggered in, this is where we possibly could recover and start trading above this 8. It's a weekly, so the weekly, you know, it's what we got to be paying attention to. Where the weekly open is where the weekly is. So it's basically a doji. Just like we could be saying it's holding resistance, it could also be holding support. See what I mean? So that's why it's a very unsure level. Should we just go with the bullish lifestyle? I don't know. I'm not really sure on anything yet, boys. I'm gonna wait for some candlestick confirmations. Check free chats. What a buy, Paras. This is Paras' buy. Paras, is this the account that I got you? And it's still going. Anybody else in any buys right now on GJ? Damn, I would have gotten clapped. This is the trade that I kind of want to take. 30 pip. I'm gonna take another 30 pip trade. It's my sweet number. Damn, but is this bullish momentum just? All right, weekly is about to be flipped bullish. So this is where the weekly flip. You see, we have the weekly flipped marked out. Not a lot of stuff written on our chart. I don't really like cluttering up my chart too much, but those are important things that I love seeing. Wick rejection. Our daily is now more bullish. Well, it's a bearish daily, right? But we're closer to flipping bullish than we are to, you know, continuing bearish. Ooh, we got people that got in at the 600. Like Jesus.
Like a block away. Teeth grinning off them X pills, so how did I couldn't concentrate? I'm telling some gang no IDK, cause I don't think that's smart to say. Rock out with that tech might make.
Yo, what the fuck is up with my Instagram? It's like looking all weird on my phone. No idea. Dude, this month I've spent so much fucking money, Jesus Christ. I had to trap all day night. Oh shit, my chart. The code? Just for one little thing? You cracked the code? No pun intended. You remember that one? I taught you that one.
Oh!
Like, it has two meanings.
Yeah.
But I wasn't, you know. Y'all about to hear some possessions be just mute that. I don't want to trip people out. Alright, we have our weekly flip about it. Man, is this where we're going to trigger in some sellers, or is this like where we're just going to fucking fake out everybody who thought we were actually going to go short and just show them strong bullish price action? I'm still not convinced. Like I'm not sure, boys. Like I don't want to tell you guys that I think I'm bullish or bearish. Why? Because I mean, it could change. That it's a bias that changes according to what happens with volatility and price action. You know, I take setups that I see that are valid. Right now, the most valid setup I would see is a sell, due to the fact that we're hitting our 50 SMA. You know, but with all this bullish momentum, it's a scary thing to hop in with no, you know, confirmation. Confirmations could come right now with this 15-minute candlestick, right? 15-minute candlestick is going to close right now within 30 seconds, 49 seconds, 48 seconds. And what setup would I be looking for if I wanted to take a sell? Let's see what trend line has been respecting. I think we're going to stay in the range. Only 28. Nah, what is this guy saying? I don't know what you guys are talking about, but I know that the account I got bought us is a little bit more expensive than that.
Last time you told me you proud of me, you wasn't proud of me. You was the nigga who
Uh.
so mad at you. You let her come kill you, my brother. That shit was a tragedy, but magically I got the strategy. I was so sick and tired of niggas keep asking me who was the killers between the hood. Bro, I'm a king, that mean we good. Talk to my TT about my problem. Learn to survive, I carry my chop. Before I was 12, I went to the doctor. Fucked on the strip and I took me a Roxy. How you my blood, you say you gon' pop me. Fall over low, you see now.
What it do? What it do? Todo bien. The lobby's here. The lobby. If we look at the 1 minute right now, we can see that this thing's flying, bruh. High key. I'm about to hop in, bruh. That's crazy, dude. We're back to the middle of the range. Well, I mean, I'd say it's getting to the top of the range. It's fly, baby. That's crazy, dude. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Look at that 4-hour candlestick. Holy fuck. Does that still count as a flag on the 4-hour? Bullish flag, I think it still does count as a flag, especially because this is news. So if we start counting this as the impulse and this is the correction, 100%. This is just a little liquidity grab due to the fact that we had news. Still a valid bullish flag. Now, man. Interesting, boys. Hey, the trend line, don't fuck with the trend line, the lobby. Don't underestimate my trend lines. Yo, GG's just going right now. Oh my god.
Welcome.
Your USD turned around a little bit ago.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one week. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes one. Stay with the baddest, I'm counting cabbage while making my I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a Brabus, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the full.
Damn, that was good. I didn't even get to read that.
I got static in my city. Who fucking with me? Pull up with this 30 and this chopper, hold a 50.
I didn't even get to read it. Bro got offended. I could tell he was a little offended. What the fuck happened? Alright. We need to focus up, boys. I'm trying to catch a trade. You could still read it. No, I can't read it. I don't know what it's talking about. I should delete it from my screen. Maybe it could. Maybe on this screen? Nope. Message deleted. Salty should have got by. I'm pretty salty as well. I'm pretty salty due to the fact that I'm not taking buys right now, and I'm always trying to take buys, but man, whenever I'm looking at, I follow how it's higher time frames. The higher time frame doesn't convince me that we're bullish, man. It doesn't convince me that we're bullish. These wicks aren't it yet, you know? Now, could I get convinced with price action that we are going to go bullish? 100%. And that's kind of what's happening right now. But it's definitely not. I'm not trying to rush into anything that I'm not fully convinced about. You know, there's no point of being in the trade if you're not sure about what's happening. I see us consolidating. That's the truth. I don't know if we have enough volatility to break out of these levels.
Niggas are buying, I had to get them off holding. I had to take 12 right on the mile, drive it like my van was stolen. It seemed like my birthday brand new, cause I'm only known just to flow. Yeah, I just know they be watching it. Yeah, just know they be watching. All these hoes love me, I am such a slimy guy. Nigga, do not trust me, baby, I'ma bust you. Way before you bust me, you shouldn't have trust me. Girl, you got off lucky. Yeah. If it's beef, no partake. No, I do not eat steak. All I eat is fish plates. My diamonds are cold in the freezer, my wrist. Somewhere in the hill, probably my bitch stay. Switching my crib and you know I'm gon' switch states. I made $1 million, yeah, off a mixtape. I made $1 million, I turned to an addict. I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, it came with 2 doors. Yeah, that's a Mercedes one. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting cabbage while making my lady come back. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a Brabus, that's why I be racing G-Wagon. Yeah, we brought the 4 doors, had to get ready for war. I ain't fuck a bitch so long, I do it in the Honda Accord. I had to count my money on the ironing board. Yeah, I just took that bitch shopping. Fuck behind the stores. Fuck behind the stores. You know that I gotta keep it real. Fuck behind the stores. Sure. You know that I gotta keep it real.
Oh shit, my bad.
Yeah, count up a $500,000 from behind the stores. Yeah, she gone out that molly like she ain't never take steal before. You acting too tough like your homie ain't never get killed before. What the fuck was that?
Turn my headphone down a little bit. Yeah. 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 How much money you got? 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 A lot. How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done doubted you? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many
That's the way the whole month has been going, Algo. Just straight fucking, you get yourself into profit, for then shit to just rally back up to your break even.
I'd rather be broke in jail than be dead and rich. Told my brothers take my breath if I turn to a snitch. But I'm 21 for L, ain't no way I'ma switch.
Good morning, Eugene. Good morning.
Just to make a couple bucks. My heart so cold, I could put it in my cup. Game versus the world, me and my dog, it was us. Then you went and wrote a statement, and that really fucked me up. My brother lost his life, and it turned me to a beast. My brother got life, and it turned me to the streets. I've been through the storm, and it turned me to a G. But
I agree, Hugo.
sunny, I get paid to rap.
I definitely agree.
How much money you got? A lot.
I'm not sure when it's gonna fucking.
How many people done doubted you? Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she
Jesus Christ, dude. Look at you, Jay. Oh my god. Every other pair is looking so much better than GJ.
I just came from the A. I drove back home, 6-hour drive.
Wow. This was a great setup right here.
Before I left, I stopped by and seen my nigga 21 in the studio. He had 2 of his kids with him right in the studio. That's when I knew. Stand up,
40 pips?
seeing shit like that. Question.
Yeah, you're right.
How many faking they streams? Getting they plays from machines. I can see behind the smoke and mirrors, niggas ain't really big as they seem. I never say anything. Everybody got their thing. Some niggas make millions.
Dude, fucking GJ.
I'm on a money routine. I don't want smoke, I want cream. I don't want
Let's wait for this hourly to close, boys.
And I'm aware I've been playing a bet from a lack of promotions. I never was one for the bragging and boasting. I guess I was hoping the music would speak for itself.
What about any other streamers, boys? I need you guys to stream hunt for me right now. What the fuck are the other streamers taking right now? Anybody in buys, who's and sells? I want to know what the hell you guys are taking. Algo, you gonna hop in on another trade right now? You convinced it's bullish? Nadeem says, GJ gonna flip daily, but I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish as well. I don't fucking know why. Something about us just being in this little fucking huge, the weekly. I think that we start having clear bullish levels passing this little line right here. Which, that's too far away, dude. Fuck. 1 minute is bull.
Should have been with Chase. Started at the bottom, the trenches, the gutter, so I had to go a little harder. Straight up. Lights was out, the gas was out, so we had to boil up the water. Straight up. Been through some things, but I couldn't imagine my kids stuck at the border. Straight up. Flint still need water. Niggas was innocent, couldn't get lawyers. Oh God. How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done doubted you? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot.
All right, so a potential bullish setup that we could be waiting for, boys, would be a 15-minute candlestick closure being around where it is right now, right? At this 50 SMA. That would fake a lot of people out to think that we're taking sells, right? And I don't know where new 15-minute candlestick opens bearishly, doesn't show much of a top wick. Out of nowhere, flips bullish after 2 or 3 minutes, and then we continue rallying past these highs. And then it really just doesn't give many people a chance to even hop into the trade either. And we see 1, 2, and then a third bullish candlestick, or potentially just 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a bullish setup that I think, if I see it picture perfect, exactly how I explained, new 15-minute candlestick opens and it goes to the downside, no top wick, I think I'm pretty down to hop into the trade and try expecting, you know, it hitting on the 183,400 levels, 183,500, not even a session indicator. All right, new candlestick is going to close in a minute and a half. 30-minute candlestick, 1 hour, a whole new hour candlestick. So 1 hour and down. And then that leaves us 1 hour till our 4-hour candlestick closes. So this 4-hour candlestick is basically a fucking pinball. Doji, whatever the fuck. And it closes in an hour. So in an hour, where is this 4-hour candlestick going to be is the question that we have to ask ourselves as traders. That's exactly what you do as a trader. You know, whenever we're in a trade, you just look at the 4-hour and try predicting where it's going to be by the candlestick closing. That's something that I realized not late into trading, but it was like a big wake up moment when I was like, wait, that's what fucking people are doing. Like, they always check the 4-hour candlestick and they knew when the 4-hour candlestick closed. Every single time. They knew when it opened, they knew when it closed. So for me, I know that it opens basically at 1 a.m. At 1 a.m. for me, there's a new 4-hour candlestick. So every 20 minutes before 1 a.m. and 20 minutes after 1 a.m. and at 1 a.m., you know, I'm paying attention to what that 4-hour candlestick is doing. And then that's how you start paying attention to the higher time frames. You just, and then you wait for another 4 hours to happen. And then I gotta wait for it to be 5 a.m., which is about to be in 1 hour. And then I'm like, oh shit, a new 4-hour candlestick is gonna happen. So I remember, so if you literally start just paying attention to each candlestick as it opens and it closes, you're gonna be paying attention to the session the whole time, and you're gonna be writing down so much mental memory. Your approach to the market's gonna be so much more sophisticated, man. All right, this is exactly kind of the setup that I said that I wanted to take. No top wick. Potentially we're gonna hop into a trade, boys. Let me see how this ends up.
Fuck all that plan, now I'm grown, I put my heart in it. I had to get down with that chrome and show them niggas I'm serious. And it's like every song I'm on, I be calling my spirits. Not you born hustler, nigga, stunning is my strong suit. Flexing with 100 cash, look at what these songs do. Can't stand the baller, baby, I do what I want to. I be with some steppers, I don't care about what you gon' do. Wear shit like the Warriors, all my niggas gon' shoot. He gon' have to take a loss, so my niggas gon' to.
I'd love for price to come down a little bit more. I'd love for price to come down a little bit more, boys. Fall a little bit for me. Fall a little bit for me. Please. Please. Yes, fall. Got the hiccups. Are you serious, Badass? Why did you remove my chat? Seriously? Why? What the hell is happening here? Y'all distracting me, bro. Let me focus. Badass puts, what is GJ doing? That's like his distraction. I mean, he's like trying to like act like he's not doing something wrong. What happened? No, nothing. Today people are against Badass and Badass is against the people. I have no idea. I try to not just pay attention to it. He removed somebody. He removed two people that. He removed the guy who keeps on begging me for money, and then he removed his second account when he came and started like, I don't know, just being like, yo, Badass, why are you taking a, I don't know, he just fucking said some weird shit. So he bet two of them were valid. Some other guy said, and then the other guy said Badass loser, and was just kind of like adding on to like fucking the other guy getting pissed that Badass banned him. So Badass was like, oh shit, he doesn't know if that's the third, if he doesn't know if the other guy got into like a third account, and then we banned him. Like, just yo, you're gonna say something negative, you're most likely gonna get banned. If you got something negative to say, just say it, and don't complain when you get banned. You know, you can say what you gotta say, you know, but if you're saying it to the guy who's always here every night, and you know, he's gonna get pissed, and he has like a mod power, and I'm not gonna take it away from him just because you insult, you know, just, I don't know. What it do, Luis? Yo, it's funny because I was actually wondering where Luis was. When I was looking at my viewers, and I was like, yo, viewership count is low right now, etc., etc. We're not in this trade, by the way. And I was like, where's Luis, man? And where's Alan? And look at that, Alan's is right here. Celsius, like I got double Celsius right now. Bop, 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 bop. You know, it's like a fucking party out here. Whenever I go to parties and I don't drink alcohol, I always go and I just drink Celsius, and it puts me in a good, you know, when I start going crazy and I start talking in the charts like fucking like a maniac, it's because of the Celsius. And I do the same thing at parties. People think I get drunk off of it. That was straight cap. I drink. My family know if I'm a loser or not. Somebody called Paras a loser, and Paras now says like 30 minutes later, my family is the only one that can call me losers or not, basically. That's how it is in Asia, you know? Your family calls you a loser if you don't fucking make it in life. But Miguel says, yeah. That's so funny. I wonder how he's gonna react to that. I mean, it's true. Households over there, you know, very. And then some other guy goes, "Yeah, his nickname is Loser." What? That's cap, Allen. No, you did not. $10, bro. You gotta send me the plug. Hey, my man, King Joe. Look, I'm gonna level out the battlegrounds here. I'm gonna level out the battlegrounds. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, am I like on the wrong? What the fuck is this? I'm on the wrong account. Switch accounts. You in a trade, bro? No, I am not in a trade yet. I'm about to take longs though. King Joy, I'm leveling out the playing field here for you, brother. All right, let's fucking take this trade or what? Bottas, you ready to send this to me or what? The guy that Paras is fighting with, I put him as a moderator. And Paras goes, this guy goes, "Thank you so much for the promotion, sir." And then Paras goes, "What, you did this, bro?" Why you did this, bro? He says, "I'm not fighting, I'm ignoring." Yeah, no, he's not fighting with you either. Yo, boys, chill it out. Oh, I haven't executed on this trade. I'm literally about to pull the trigger. Paras, I want you to send me the signal so I can make sure I'm not lying about the. Notice how when I was down here, price raises, and I always put myself automatic drawdown whenever I put up one of these things to kind of act like whenever, like, imagine I throw an imaginary trade, it's I put myself in automatic drawdown. Why? Because of the spreads. Why? Because we got people like my frozen funds fucking us over, trying to make sure we don't lose. Like, trading already is hard on its own. Why the fuck are you trying to, like, fuck with the statistics? And 90% of traders, 95% of traders fail. No, 99%, if you think about it, 99% of traders don't come back to trading. Or let's say 95, okay? Because people always pick up trading, so if you grab statistically, like, how many, I guess maybe it's a little bit less. But man, a whole lot of people pick up trading and then a whole lot of people abandon it, So the statistic of people that come back to trading is so little. And the statistic of the people that actually fucking stick around for 4 to 5 months, then for the next year to become fucking profitable and actually get a payout is even less. Why the fuck are you gonna mess with those statistics already and make it even harder for those motherfuckers that actually made it through that whole? It's like, what are you, like, that's so fucked. Like, make a fucking legal prop firm and you're gonna fucking already be in profit no matter what. There's a whole bunch of people blowing accounts no matter what. There's no need to try to fuck with their goddamn trades. But okay, whatever. I'm salty that my frozen funds owes me money. All right, boys. I've not taken this trade yet. I wish GJ would have came down a little bit more. This is the exact setup I told you guys on the 15-minute closure. I said 15-minute closure. If it comes down, respects the low, and then flips with no top wick, I'm gonna get triggered into the trade. I'm close to getting triggered into the trade. The thing that has me is the fact that there's this clear fib short, and these highs, this level that we're at basically, and a little bit higher, man, we haven't been able to break this since Monday, since last week Sunday. Then Monday came, then Tuesday, We're here. It's wait, what is it today? Wednesday. It's Wednesday, and we're still at this resistance level. So yes, we did come up with a lot of momentum. That tells me, hey, maybe we do have a strong enough, build up here with price to be able to break through all these levels that are very hard to break through, that we've been struggling to break through for a while now, right? Do we have that momentum? And I'm trying to convince myself that we do, and we possibly do, but that's the question that I'm asking myself. Or do we need to come down, trigger in sellers, and then randomly, boom, go later on? I'm convinced that we're going bullish. Right, I just want to place the correct trade where I don't suffer enough drawdown, and you see prices going down right now. So patience is paying off. You don't ever want to get upset. Don't ever feel like you're missing out on a trade, boys. I think that's the number one fucking feeling that traders feel whenever they're on the charts, and that's the number one feeling that gets you fucked over, because that's what makes you take irrational decisions or decisions that you wouldn't have taken if you didn't feel that feeling of, hey, I want to be in a trade, or hey, I'm missing out. Don't feel like you're ever missing out. If you erase that thought from your head, I promise you, FOMO and like all these weird emotions that come in the chart that fucking take you off from what having a profitable strategy is, go away completely. You just don't feel like you're missing out. There's no way you can fucking miss out if there's charts are never going to go anywhere. If there's always going to be an X hourly candlestick closure, there's always going to be another session next, so it's like, just chill out. You got to chill out. One of the main things I'd always talk, dude, this is a great one also, just, it takes 10 seconds for you to just lose focus and hop yourself into a trade and then regret it, and then I don't know where it's a snowball effect of opening trades, closing trades, and that's a lot of what the majority of traders go through also, right? When you're sitting down at the charts, don't lose focus, boys. I know it's hard with, you got me here over here fucking talking about random shit, and we got Bottas in the chat starting fucking problems, but losing focus is what causes you to take an irrational decision. But in the middle of the day when you just wake up, you're fresh, you're just like, all right, like, I'm gonna fucking approach, I'm only gonna take 1 or 2 trades a day, I'm gonna use risk management, I'm gonna follow my rules, and out of nowhere it takes you like fucking 10 to 15 seconds to just forget completely about that, get triggered into a trade because I'm screaming on stream or somebody else is getting triggered into a trade, and out of nowhere all that goes out the window, and then you're like, oh fuck, I fucked up again. Oh fuck, I fucked up again. Like, I'm telling you, that's the majority of what happens with traders. They fall into these habits of just randomly losing. It takes 10 seconds to lose focus and then just fucking take yourself off track, and then you're done for the night. It's a snowball effect when you fuck up. So that's why it's the best thing, if you're disciplined, it's easier to not fall into that habit of over trading, right? I'm not ever gonna randomly impulsively hop into a trade because I just want to be in one and then close it out early, and then after that I'm just like, damn, but I could have been this, and then a whole bunch of emotions come after that. So how do you avoid all that? Stay disciplined. Make sure have a plan. I already know for a fact I'm only gonna take 1 or 2 trades a night, right? So I'm gonna give myself a chance to actually take the trade that I want to take, right? I've also been here in many London sessions where, hey, why didn't I hop into this buy impulsively? Because I've been to enough London sessions where I've seen that, man, price doesn't just randomly decide to just break through all these levels that we haven't had, and if it does, fuck it, let it do it, but statistically we don't just randomly fucking break through a whole bunch of levels, without any without news or anything, any catalyst. So as we approach this level with so much momentum, I'm like, damn, momentum seems like it might die out right now, and up to the moment, us not taking that buy has been a great decision. So what's up, everybody? Give me the account for fake Miguel Gomez 19 something 43. What is that? Damn, it's coming down. Hey, what's up with this? Keep going, Duncan. Keep going with what? One of what we should have Delavi help me with. Every time I give like any of these like speeches, Delavi could because he's quick with tech, just like clip him. Ooh, Delavi. Oh, freaking! I'll give you a fat hug. Delavi says he's cleaning the house. Yeah. Huh? It's 4 in the morning. That's what angry people do. They start fucking, they get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and they start just fucking cleaning and making a whole bunch of noise. Just to get people pissed off. You snitch me, Duncan. Why is this Badass today? Why is Badass speaking like goddamn, like a Latin mom that doesn't know how to speak English? Like everything she's writing is like, you know what I'm talking about? Like just, you snitch me, Duncan. That's what he put. Right? He said no my dog today. I don't think that's Badass, boys. There's a fake. Alright guys, make sure that if you guys get messaged by anybody, guys, if you guys ever get messaged privately for any services of account management that we do or challenge passing that we do, it is not us. We will never contact you. If you guys want to do challenge passing or account management, the only way to find it is to go to the Discord. You scroll down to where you see the challenge passing section right here, and you could open a ticket. Open a ticket. That's where you go. Right? You guys, you see, that's where you guys could inquire and ask questions, and that's where we will have a chat with you that you will be able to only see, etc., etc. So if you guys get what? Don't scare me. What? It's taking trades? Thanks again for your share, mate. Hi, appreciate it. Keep it up. I googled it. I joined it. Wait, what the fuck is this? Yo, mods. Yo, Arnold's high key. You've been here for how many? Dude, how many weeks in a row you've been joining? I think I'm about to give you mod. Guys, subscribe to the channel. We're so close to 3K subs. That is so true. We are so close to 3K subs, boys. Thank you guys for the fucking support, boys. Truly appreciate it. All right, potential longs right now on this GJ setup. I think we gotta take it. I think we gotta take it. It's if we go bearish, we get stopped out. It is what it is. These highs got respected again, and GJ is a bitch. But I think that with us being able to come down to this SMA, 100% we could be able to hold support. You know, this will make this a valid fib at one point, and you know, there's a good alignment, there's a good confluence. I'm not taking the trade yet, but boys, if we do take this trade, I'm going to be very impulsive with it. I'll tell you guys that I'm in this trade. It will be around 30 pip stop loss, boys. 30 pip stop loss. For me, I'm risking 1%. For me, that is going to be $1,000. I'm going to take a 4.8 loss, 4.7, 4.8. And I might just take a fucking 5, just to close off the number and not give me freaking OCD anxiety. And 30 pips. So 30 pips is going to look like this. Let me see if I like this setup. Potential. I have my phone on my little stand in front of me. Little stand right here. Make sure you guys get yourselves a fucking stand for executions. Fuck magic keys. You can get yourself a stand that costs literally $2. And stand the man. 30 pips. Badass, send me the trade, boy, so I can send it to the signal chat. Oh my god, it's going. Is it gonna go down more? I feel like it's gonna go down more. What the hell's happening? Jesus Christ. What it do, Santuri? Santuri, how's it going, brother? You taking any trades today? Boys, one's in the chat if you guys like this buy setup. One's in the chat if you guys like this buy setup. Two's if you like sells. What are you guys convinced? You guys convinced that the GJ is ready to go up, or you guys think that the higher time frames are indicating that we need to take sells? Let's see what the chat thinks. Let's see who gets it correct today. Bang says sells. No, not convinced with buys. He is disgusted with what is on the screen right now. What about, damn, more sells. Oh my god, more sells. YB, hey, YB be killing the charts lately, so YB said buys. I'm liking buys. I got people I don't know saying sells. Not just because I don't know you, doesn't know. I'm just, I'm proud YB always be joining. Nadeem be joining also. Nadeem says sells. What's the play, boys? What are we gonna do here? We have 9 minutes till a 30-minute candlestick closure. In 30 minutes, is this candlestick gonna come down to the bottom, or is it gonna respect what this 8 SMA right now that it's respecting? That is the name of the game, boys. All right, boys, we're in it to win it. Execute the trade. Gold. What's up with gold? Oh my god, gold is going. I'm not even convinced gold is supposed to keep on rallying though. What is that? It's like rendering or some shit? Damn, boy, EU's going up. Yeah. What it do, Fofana? How's everything, brother? Fofana, what account are you currently trading right now? Since my frozen funds decided to... Guys, Fofana is one of our Bullish Lifestyle VIP members. Fofana, I mean, I'm not even gonna give him... I mean, he's been learning, I guess, off us. He came to already knowing a little bit about Forex, and I guess he had his own little strategy because he was already trading. Can you guys believe that Fofana here in the chat, man, passed he bought his first challenge ever that he bought, he passed it. Who else did that? I remember my first challenge, my first account I ever made. Yes, I made money on it, and a lot of people I hear that story across the board. It's like a common theme in trading. It's like the trading gods want you to fucking fall in love. So one's in the chat, if your first trading account you recall making money on it and flipping it or doing some shit. I remember my first account, I like made $1,000 go to like $1,800. Or like 600 to 1,000 something. I know I more than doubled it from literally just fucking putting the wrong lot size on a US 30 trade. I remember that perfectly. And I was sold after that. But yeah, my first challenge account? No. Yeah, I'm in this trade right now. I'm expecting a little bit of drawdown. Not lying, I'm expecting a little bit of drawdown. That's why I have the 30 pip stop loss trade. If we come down to this level, we most likely are going to come and start wick filling this. right, boys? So therefore, my logic behind this stop loss 30 pip trade says, hey, if we are actually going to go bullish, my stop loss won't get hit. If my stop loss gets hit, most likely we are going to be bearish, and therefore my bias was wrong, and it is that simple. You know, then we're going to keep it moving. But yeah, basically, if we come down to our stop loss, most likely we're going to fucking melt for the day. I think that us approaching this resistance like this with a little bit of momentum, this having a lot of momentum in this candlestick, us respecting this 8 SMA, there is a chance that this candlestick will go without us being a drawdown. But right now, with the way we're rejecting these highs, I expect a little bit of drawdown. So if you guys want to catch a better entry than I have, that is totally within the possibilities of this trade. Weekly is starting to flip bullish. So right when the weekly flips bullish, I don't expect it to just rally. Why? Because that's when a whole bunch of noobs get triggered into the trades. But hopefully this is not a fake out, right? Hopefully this is not a fake out. And yeah, it's that simple. You got to give yourself the chance. You missed 90, you miss 100% of the shots you don't shoot. You know that, boys? I'm on the 7th challenge. Brother, it is totally fine. I promise you. Many challenges have been blown from many, like I've blown definitely more than 7 challenges when I first started trading. So it's now there's a way to not blow that many challenges, and that's 1, taking it more seriously, 2, taking it a little bit slower, 3, you know, pausing every time you lose an account, try to take a demo account, try to pass the demo account, 4, get your challenge passed. It's worked for people. So why GBP losing strength? Great British Pound is losing strength. I feel like it's the yen that was gaining strength, but then I'm looking at UJ and that's totally wrong. Maybe the dollar is gaining a lot of strength. Nobody should be losing challenges now with unlimited days. Alan made a great point. With the unlimited days now that there is behind trading, man, if you open up a challenge and you're not sure about your strategy, man, if you have a $100,000 account, don't risk 1%, risk 0.1%. Risk 0.1%, and when you want to over leverage, risk 0. Double that lot size or triple that lot size, and you're still not even gonna, but fuck around with the account, get to get used to it, get a little bit comfortable, and then start upping the lot sizes once you start making profits with the profits. You shouldn't be blowing accounts within a week. And if you are, it's because if you have the money to be buying accounts and blowing accounts, and you're ready to accept the fact that if you're going to be aggressive, there's a chance that you're going to fail the first few challenges. All right, you could execute upon it and do it like that. But most of the time it's better to just wait. I'm on personal too. Back test, people. Back testing is essential. Also, back testing and also live trading. I make it very clear that whenever you first start trading, it's important to take a lot of trades. So like whenever somebody starts trading and the first thing they say is, hey, I want to make money, I get a little bit worried. Now, when somebody's approach to trading is, hey, I want to learn to trade, and then eventually I could start making money with it, that's different. Their approach is they're wanting to learn, different from somebody else who their approach is, hey, I want to make money. The person who's thinking, hey, I want to make money, is going to try to find shortcuts, right? And there are no shortcuts in trading, no shortcuts. So the mentality should be that you're ready to learn to trade. I explained the story a lot of times when I was excited for how I just told you with my first account that I opened, I doubled it. I remember I was excited when I was losing that account little by little out of nowhere. I used that account that I doubled. I did not have that money to be able to fucking be losing. So I started risking little amounts of money, and I started losing that account. It took me 2 months to lose it. And after I fucking lost it, I was actually kind of happy because I was relieved of the account, and I could start with a new account, and I was a little bit fresh. Not that I had the money to lose it. I'm not saying that it was I was wiping my ass with the money, but the fact was that I was kind of content with the fact that I was oh, that's how it feels to blow an account. That's the feeling that people are talking about. That's why they say that you have to be disciplined. That's why I need to fucking figure out my psychology, and it's just everything started. And I was getting excited because I was figuring it out. So I wouldn't get upset over the losses because they were just lessons. I was actually excited every time there was an obstacle in front of me, figuring out what an SMA was, or finding out what this guy's strategy is, finding what that guy's strategy is. It just, you gotta, enjoy the journey and be excited about learning. Don't, your approach can't be coming here be oh, I'm just trying to make money. If you're just trying to make money, you're gonna get clapped, right? Dude, I've heard so many people's stories, and it's funny because my story and my story is the same. That's why I believe whenever I hear, I've heard so many people say the story, and I remember every time I hear the story, it reminds me that, hey, that's how my story is. So I don't like, after hearing all these stories, I'm not like, oh, this guy's lying. Because, like, I literally did the same exact thing, dude. I fucking opened up an account, first account ever, and I've heard it from many people. I have no reason to lie. And they all said, hey, yeah, I made a whole bunch of money with my fucking account, fell in love with trading, and then I just blew it. Little by little. What is the trade line for today? Give me some options. I don't know what you mean by trade line, but give me some options, and I'll choose one, or I'll fuck with yours and I'll make mine. Bro, explain whole trading in zone in just... Bro, explain the whole trading in the zone in just 5 minutes. I've never read trading in the zone, but I've actually never read a trading book. Miguel, you read a trading book before? Boys, I should show you how Miguel is right now. Miguel's back testing right now, half dead, asleep like this. Like, I don't even know if he's awake right now. That boy got almost his hands in his pants, and he's just, you know, whenever you're in that, you know, you're in that dead position, and that's where you're staying. You're killing it, Miguel. You're good. You're doing good. And the chart's gonna pay off. I want to join in on your trade. That's what I meant. Oh. Trading in the zone explains the trade and probabilities. Oh, I always talk about trading and probabilities. It's kind of the way sports betting works. Like but if you guys know about, like, if there's guys that know about sports betting, man, sports betting is very similar to trading. It's crazy. It's crazy, but it's true. That's the way I relate everything. So it's just about giving yourself statistical chances. For example, this trade right here, I know on average has a statistical chance of hitting from around 73% to about 90, right? So from there, I you know, make sure that I take this trade multiple times, you know, with a consistent lot size, where if I lose, I'm going to lose the same amount on every single one, and if I win, I'm going to win that or even more. And then, you know, even if I lose it, I'm going to take the same setup as it comes, and then it's just about you taking your statistical chance and having probabilities in your favor. So the probabilities in my favor due to the fact that I know it's a profitable, you know, approach to the market. You know, this setup right here it's an approachable, it's an acceptable trade, right? And then it comes down to you know, then it's the risk management part of, hey, can't over risk on this one, because what if this one actually ends up not hitting? Then the next one you're gonna force to be over risk, and once you hit the 101, you're gonna have to make back the last one. So you always gotta maintain the same lot size, boys. People always, I'm sorry for fucking repeating all myself all the time, but I always say also, if you guys want to take emotions out the trade and everybody else, how to work on your psychology, how do you read books? No, you want to take the emotion out the trade, focus on risk management, right? If you don't over risk on your trade, you're not gonna fucking be worried when you're in drawdown. If you don't under leverage on your trade, you're not going to be upset when you're in profit. Remember that, boys. Remember that. And if you know, find that sweet spot number that you don't care if you get to take profit 1, you're willing to hold it and try to go to take profit 2. Find that sweet spot number that when you're in drawdown halfway, you're like, you know what, I can hold it a little bit more to my stop loss. It's fine. I'll close it out there. I'll keep it moving. I'm not upset. Find that number. If you're not upset, if you don't want to lose too much, then if you don't want to lose $500, then be content with winning $500 when you're, you know, find the sweet spot number. Everybody has different risk tolerance. It comes down to how much money you have, how much money you know, different, not how much money you have. That's the wrong approach. But I'm trying to say, like, different people are willing to risk more due to financial situations. Others are willing to risk more due to the fact that they have confidence in their trading abilities and in setups. Duncan, can you pass my 100K level up society challenge for 200? This guy first, he came in, he's asking me for a giveaway, but now he's asking me to pass a 100K challenge for $200. First, that is not the place to ask questions, brother. If you guys want to ask questions about the challenge passing and about all that, make sure you guys go to the Discord, right? Discord link has been sent. It is there in the comment section, and you could go to the open ticket section. So I could give you a no if you ask here in the open ticket section, and then maybe you could beg me for pardon. And but yeah, open ticket section right here in the challenge passing section over here. I don't really like, you know, not here in the chat. Okay. Trading in the zone teaches you not to be emotional and try not to expect to be a winner. in any given trade. Just play out the probabilities and use risk management. Yeah, sometimes, so that also goes to say, like, sometimes if you feel like the trade is going to lose, even though you know if it's a winning setup, like, for example, I was kind of scared to take this entry. I knew it was a valid setup. This trade could still lose, boys. This trade is not in the clear. I'm not even close to being like, oh, this is a good trade. You know, we could still just randomly melt right now and completely fuck it over. But, I know that this trade has hit many times, therefore, you know, you just have to take your emotion out the trade of being scared to lose and just let the probability play out. It's kind of like when you guys, for a lot of people that play blackjack, right? A lot of people play blackjack here. 21, blackjack. You guys got 16, the dealer got 21. Or I mean, the dealer got 20, or the dealer has a 10 and the other card's hidden, and you got a goddamn 16. You got to fucking hit. Even if you feel like you're gonna lose, take the emotion out of it. You gotta hit. That's the statistical way of being probable in blackjack. You know, you can't be fucking staying on 16 when the dealer got a fucking 10. You know, it's just that's how you lose overall in the long term. Don't forget to answer my DMs, Flex. I got you, Flex. For me, it was best to start only using small lots and slowly increasing accounts and lots. I got comfortable with losing small lots and just increase. 10 million subscribers and we do it free. I love it. No, you're totally fine, brother. That's actually, I hugely apologize. You're not actually being annoying. Flex, you're one of the boys, one of the OGs. Can you pass my... I already read that. Thanks for the advice, brother. You're welcome, my brother. Oof. What is going to happen, boys? I love having this little phone stand in front of me when I run my trades. What it do, Rain? Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Duncan, bro, very disappointing. Badass, you remind me of AJ right now. Sometimes AJ gets upset with me, and I don't know exactly why. I don't really understand what's happening. How was Vegas? Vegas was amazing, brother. Vegas was great. I had a great time. Any pains for neck tattoos, man? Any pains for neck tattoos? I'm definitely gonna get my neck tatted. I'm definitely gonna have my whole fucking arm tatted, my whole thing. I'm gonna have my whole neck up to here tatted. I'm gonna have fucking, who knows? I'm gonna have goddamn Mona Lisa herself on me. Thank you for pain. Somebody in the chat. It's a beautiful day. Miguel's back to life, boy. Miguel's what you call dedication, brothers. That's why you don't become a cheat code by just fucking scratching your nuts all day. I literally got a phone case that built in for stand top tier. Oof. Thank you for dude. When I got that song stuck in Miguel's head, he hated whenever I'd say anything because then it'd just be trapped. Probably is trapped right now. He's probably gonna go to sleep with nightmares with it. Boys, can you guys like up the stream for me? If you guys have not subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe. We are so close to hitting 3,000 subscribers. That is going to be a fucking mile reach. If you guys want to do some giveaways today, we can do a giveaway at 100 likes. At 100 likes. 100 likes. So make sure you guys like up the stream. If you guys are in this trade right now, type some ones in the chat. I want to know who's in this trade with me. Who is in this trade with me? I know a lot of people, when they take my trade, they end up closing early because my 30 pip stop loss, 30 pip take profit is way too much for them, way too much for their anxiety. I am glad we got a couple ones in the chat. Ooh, we have a whole bunch of people that are getting into the trade. It was great. It's great to know that people take my trades. It's great to know that fucking if you guys took my trade, you guys got clapped with me yesterday. So, yeah. Had to bring that one up. We took the L. We took the L just for price to come back down and actually melt. And we actually took a sell here. Melt. We were in profit. Some people were saying W. Then it completely turned around on us. This was yesterday's trade, some shit like this. But way bigger. Or we hopped in, I don't know, something like this. I know we got clapped. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. Am I gonna stream New York session? No, sir. No, sir. I'm actually gonna help you out with what I'm gonna do what I have to do right now with you. just, but partially. Nice. Can put stop loss previous 3-minute candlestick low. 100% we can put stop loss at previous candlestick low. Now, my thing is, I know for a fact that there's a chance that this price comes back to this break even and potentially even down to this SMA and then goes long. So me doing that and putting us at break even, I'm just going to end up taking the same exact setup that I think is still valid even if we come to these levels right here. So I'm not even going to touch it. I don't know if you really understood that explanation, but it just comes down to the fact that I still want to be in this trade even if price comes down to these levels, right? I trust that these levels have strong, bounces where we'll be able to, I'm bullish. So either way, I'm going to look for a bullish setup if we come down. So I don't put stop loss to break even too early. It's smart. It's a good approach, but I kind of know that I'm still gonna hop into longs after it. I still have to take my trade. I'm still not scared to lose. That's the truth. When you're not scared to lose, you don't really worry about closing the break even all the time too early. You just let it play out. Yes, I'm just waiting for that 15-minute. Yeah, the 15-minute SMA balance would be amazing. I'm not a trade. I want to join in the life coach. I don't really like when people enter the trade when I hop in. Like you hopping into the trade while it's going up is gonna make my trade go down. So don't do that. Don't hop into the trade right now, boys, because that's the reason it's probably going down. Because we got a whole bunch of people FOMOing and hopping in it. You guys should probably, hop into fucking sales right now. Hop into sales, and I assure you this thing will probably start rallying for me. Don't FOMO. Yeah, FOMO is not the way you want to go right now. Duncan, can anyone marry money, bro? Contract. I need a green card. Duncan, can anyone marry for money, bro? I need a green card. If you're a guy, you're probably out of luck. Oh, this is Sarah. Oh, sheesh. Sheesh. Miguelito, you want some money? Miguel says he's not down to make money right now. He's a little concentrated. Sarah got the chat going crazy. Now everybody's American now. Huh? My God. What do paras? Oh! No way this trade's turning around on me like that. Just like yesterday. Yesterday we got ourselves like a little bit into profit and then just wham. And we back on our rodeo. Yo, what the fuck is playing right now, boys? I didn't even know there was freaking music playing. I apologize if that song was ass. Still got some boys on the payroll. Check your message on the other screen. Paras. Oh. I'm listening. Oh, you're telling me to send the signal? What happened, badass? Yo, don't text me, yo, listen, and then I say what, and then you say, bro. Just get to the point, you know? Jesus. Alright, Sarah Novak. Novak is such an OP last name, Jesus Christ. Sarah said, I'm a girl at the lobby. Wait, what did the lobby say? Oh. I don't need... Oh my god. Why, but that's what happened. I don't get what happened. I'm trying to go back. I don't see anything. I'm 24. 24 years young. Forever young. Paras, why don't you guys settle it with a chess match? He's not, but nobody's targeting you, Chad. What are you talking about? Volume is dying, says Eric. How long you trade? How long do I like trading at night, or how long have I been trading? You heard of the new Dirk song? I did not hear the new Dirk song. What is the new Dirk song? With the red bows. No, I haven't. I'm gonna look it up after this. We'll trade FOMC. What? There's more news today, boys? Oh shit. Wait, what the fuck? When is this? This already happened. What are you talking about? There's no more news today. Or am I tripping? Wait, 2 a.m.? Oh, this is 2 p.m. I'm so sorry. Yeah, no, you're right. Go, 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 you dirty hoe. SRT beat up the streets, got horsepower. What age did I start trading? I don't know, like 5 years ago. Hey, how are you, brother? I am doing very well. I am doing very well, boys. How are you guys doing? Oh my god, what happened to Virgil? You mostly trade Forex. I only trade Forex. I'll play Cowboy on my own after this. I don't like how I set up the camera after I turned that bitch. There, it's a little bit of a better angle. Read from a sandbox by dogs as a toddler. 16 years old, so 16 years old when I bought my first chopper. Industry plant. That's a good word. Ryan, where are you from again? Flex. Explain why I am bullish on GJ. Because of the setup. This is a really strong bullish candlestick. We had another candlestick right here that is a continuation candlestick, so I'm just expecting us to continue at now to the top of the range. I think that this is the middle of the range. I'd consider this down channel, side channel. This has to be the up channel. We had a huge liquidity grab, and then us to just come up means that we have bullish price action. Us having bullish price action, this being a correct setup, us being at the bottom of the range on the way to the top of the range, knowing that there's magnets, you know, positive, and then here's a negative. Sorry, I got a little bit slobbery, but yeah, just taking my probability statistical chance. Now as price comes down, we could start breaking at close even, but that was not, I mean, I'm still gonna be a bullish on the setup. I don't us going bearish today, it's still a strong possibility. That's the truth. How was your first 6 months on trading? My first 6 months of trading were very difficult. Very difficult. Nonetheless, I was a person that was very excited to just lose and win and lose and win, and like I wasn't upset about my losses. Like, I got to go down fucking and blow challenges and blow demos, and I'd just be like, you know, just go again and go again and go again and go again, and I never got demotivated. I'd always try to learn again, try a new strategy, try this, try that, you know, and just you just you know how like you go through like this phase where you learn so much. Don't lose that in trading. Keep learning, keep on going through these phases where you're still improving your trades and how you approach the markets. I'm putting the song that you wanted, Cowboy. Alright, I managed to get funded on a 25K account. Oof, that is fucking beast. Good shit, Flex. When you got profitable, how long ago? Probably like 2 years ago. Can you play Texas? What's up with gold buys? You like drill music? If it's a little bit too hype, not really, not anymore. I used to. What's up with gold buys? Gold buys are dead. Where you going, Miguel? Where you going? When did you start trading? About 5 years ago. Such a repetitive question. New York drill is always hype. Yeah, New York's always been drill. I love it. Not always been drill, actually. 1927. Now's a good close at break even, boys. I think we should close at break even. I think we might have to close a break even. I haven't taken a decision yet, but I might close a break even. Just because I could expect us to hit this target right here, this 50 SMA, definitely a target right now. It being a target, I know I could get like a better entry if I were to try to hop in like over here. Oh yeah, just small retracement. Still continuation candlestick. This is what I don't like. Alright, it's gonna fly. Drawdown ain't nothing. Ooh. K-Trap, headline one. Oh shit, let's play it out. Top 3 prop firms I recommend are Smart Prop, The Funded Trader, and FTMO. We showed you that about like a month ago. We received more over $10,000, and now this month we're gonna receive over $6,000 from what prop firm ago? What prop firm is Dale's account?
Smart Prop.
From Smart Prop. So they're paying us over $16,000 within the last 2 months. So right now, if you guys want to know who the fuck's paying out, we've gotten paid out 16 grand from those motherfuckers. Smart Prop. FTMO, always been paying out. Never had trouble with them. And then the other one is the Funded Trader. The Funded Trader has a fucking strong, reputable history of always being one of the best prop firms. Yeah. Why he buy? It's a trap for the buyers, right? If anything, it's a trap for the sellers. Because we are at a level of where people are going to be like, oh, look, we're shorting wicks. Oh, look, it's a fib short. Oh, look, this is resistance. Resistance means that we go down. So I think it's a fake out of the sellers, actually. Can you tell Miguel I messaged him? SS Bricked messaged you. Oh, that's the guy who asked. I just barely. Well, he heard that. The Funded Trader is based in Texas and the USA. Yes. Isn't that where you are, brother? Oh, no. Yeah. I forgot. How do you feel about SMC or ICT? The same way I feel about LGBTQ, US, or ICT, LCT, SMT, LGBT. It's all the same shit. Just price action. That's what you need to learn. Price action. Price action and market structure. Mamba prop firm is legit too. For real, no cap. You think they may get clapped? Nah, I don't think. They follow the rules. They're people that follow the rules. That's why they're not scared to be based here. They ain't scared to show up. My Forex funds was predicted by The Simpsons. Oh my god, what happened to Virgil? What about True Forex funds? I do not know anything about True Forex funds. I have a spreadsheet that has all the trading accounts that we have traded. I just don't want to open it on stream. Miguel said no, because we have a whole bunch of account information and stuff there. And so I don't even want to attempt opening it up. It just scares me. So, but if on the spreadsheet there's a prop firm section where I can see all the prop firms that we've traded, and we haven't had any problem. Well, there's problem. Yeah, the problem with my Forex funds is that they scam people with their slippage, people that stuff for no reason. Boys, make sure you guys are trading like the banks. Always make sure you guys are trading like the banks. Damn, boy. Did he catch that upside down head and shoulders? Why? Supposed to catch cells right now?
No.
Oof. It's about to fly, no? Oh! Is the money going up or down?
Hmm?
Is there money going up or down?
No idea. It doesn't show me.
Oh.
You can skip it.
Miguel sounds like a zombie, they said. Miguel's dead.
Super bad, man.
Miguel's gonna have trouble making it to New York session, boys. What the fuck was that?
I just sucked it more.
What are doing? What are you? Oh shit, I don't have any music on, boys. I apologize for that. Somebody had to say something. Tell me, what other trader has a playlist like mine, boys? Nobody. Nobody. They all be listening to goddamn gospel. What am I doing? I am currently expecting price to do maybe a little bit of a retracement. What? Question mark. Yeah, man. I swear to God, you go on other people's streams and they put on like goddamn Bible verses, and other people put on like motivational gospel speeches and like why God saved them, and yeah, what's up with that? Y'all hope, you know, you're supposed to take hope out the trades. How are you gonna bring hope into the trades? By bringing in God. Keep your hope away from the trades. Don't pray to God your trade hits, and don't pray to God your trade doesn't. That's a sin. Fly, bitch. Fly. I got that check and stay loyal, make sure my shooter's straight. Hurry, he went unidentified, them hollows chewed his face. If this trade doesn't hit, I'm gonna have to fucking take up Sarah on her offer. Nah, yesterday trades was actually a W. I'm not sure, you must have lost. Potentially, brother. Potentially FOMC will be traded today. Thank you, Santuri. That pain was so unbearable, I almost gave up. First we was broke, but now I'm swerving in that range truck. We was wildin' in them streets of savage, they named us. When there's violence on our side of town, they blame us. Smith and Wesson torture nigga, he get flamed up. Them 40 shells crack his head, fuck your brain up. And she got me. Wonder what sucks? Fucking hopping into GJ session, taking a trade early, and just being able to not like hit my stop loss, hit my take profit. Let's make some money or let's lose. That's why stocks are probably a lot funner to fucking stream, because everybody gets on at the same fucking time. Everybody knows that there's going to be some volatility. Everybody knows that you're either going to get clapped or you're either going to win, right? Like, I want trading to be like that right now with GJ. Just, we're either going to win or we're either going to lose. You know, there's nothing we can do about it. There's nothing I'm going to do about it. Just, you know, give me the answer. You know, get on with it. Oh, Duncan, have you ever read your daily horoscope to know if you're bullish or bearish today? I have not. I have not. Hey, bro. Miguel's shaking his head. He doesn't believe, but that's why he's an angry soul. He doesn't believe. Let's see what. How do you check your horoscope? What is it? What even is that? What the fuck does that even mean?
Aries.
You're Aries, but how does that even have to do anything to do with your day? I know, but what? I'm supposed to put my like PC's horoscope day? Daily today horoscope. A strange letter or phone call could come your way today. Information that you receive can be sounded grab though. They may be good news or bad news or possibly neither. But don't accept it in face value. Somewhere along those lines, someone has misinterpreted some important information. What the hell? What about yesterday? You might do some writing today. What? Creative or letters? Yeah, I texted a whole bunch of people asking them if they have the watch I wanted in stock. And the watch that I wanted was showing up right here. I got a whole bunch of watches on advertisement because I've been searching watches for the last few fucking... What about tomorrow? Tomorrow, juicy but perhaps unkind gossip might be reaching your day. Gossip? You may doubt the motives of your close friends. Examine any tips you receive on a certain true facts before you accept the truth. Much of the information is likely to be wrong. Your imagination is flying high, so you might not want to try writing or drawing. This is weird. What's crazy is that you asked the question after recently I got my little stone implanted into my... Oh, it's supposed to be light blue, but you don't even see it. It's like light blue. Little aquamarine stone. For your boy. I could believe that people read that daily. Who knows? Some people need a little bit of... I don't know, faith, hope, motivation. It hit about the high part. Oh man. Oh my god. That must be toxic. Yo, boys. GJ doesn't move since yesterday. Like, I mean, since Monday, no? There you go. Go. Do something, dude. Stop me out or fucking hit my take profit. Do something. See that? No volume on buy. Miguel ended up buying the watch. I'm excited. Can we go out and eat when it gets here? Gold. Let's look at gold. Gold is giving us maybe some potentials of being able to go long. You're very right about that. Well, you said it's an interesting level.
Been out 6 months, made 4 million. Sliding in a 6'4" window tinted. Nigga had to get low, them boys start hitting. Fuck around, hit the low hole with no jamming. If a nigga say go, better go kill him. Say the little Zoe, he cut up with no feelings. Mama watch a little boy turn to a minute. I don't care, go fed, get a life sentence. I'm on everybody dead, nigga, no limit. I don't shake niggas' hand cause I ain't friendly. When I pull up to the crib, I have no pennies. I be leaning to the right like I'm on Xanax. I been thinking all my life, I ain't romantic. When I whip out the 4-5, don't panic. When I whip out the 4-5, don't panic. I be pulling out scraps when he fuck niggas. I go young and May on these dumb bitches. Like a dyke, man, you niggas can't fuck with me. If a nigga say it's up, then it's stuck with me. What's the principle? Pimpin' ain't easy. I'm invincible, niggas can't beat me. Hey, what's the principle? Pimpin' ain't easy. I'm invincible, niggas can't beat me. AP, flood, water on my butt like a toad.
King Abe is looking for a short on GJ right now?
Don't worry about me.
Who the fuck is King Abe?
Kill a street nigga, get a dime. Kill a rap nigga, get a dub. Big chain on my neck, don't budge. Fucking days loaf like a stud. I swapped out the mic for the gun. Swapped out the yike for the mud. Swapped out the spice for the bud. Fucking on the dyke, I'm a love. I'm fucking with a dice, she the one. Cause they don't show no remorse. I be automatic trying to get a nigga touch. Put that on tour with his boys.
Well, boys, we are at break even. If you guys do not want to be in this trade anymore, I plead you get them. You kindly close your trade. He's a good trader. Love him? Gotta get another one. Yes. I'll check your message right now, Powerhouse. I am a little busy. Un segundo. Un momento.
Yo, Bag, what you on? Man, shit just got in the city. What's up? Where you at? I thought you probably been coming through.
Nigga just touched down. Come shoot the video with me.
You know I'm with it. Let's go. Let's do it, bro. Shit, I'm finna pull up on you right now.
Alright, gang.
It's false break, then down again. We got King Abe and the whole chat against me. That's what motivates me. That's what keeps me going. Yeah, for a young buck, Fadas is pretty demanding. I love how you put a little ninja. That's a good way to go at it. That's funny as hell. Never even thought about that.
We might catch them slipping, then it's tragic. Reach up to the stars, gotta have it. We were 6 deep on the
No. I mean, I'd be targeting a high. I'd be targeting probably more than this if it goes long. It just, that's the 101. That's when it's considered a successful trade.
I'm not what you need, I'm a savage. I sing so much fully automatic. They judge me, but they don't know that I've been broken. I'm just hustling. And I grip this man, don't lose your man, I kill him, trust me. And these niggas fooling bitches change, so I'm not trusting. Don't say you love me, this shit get ugly. So I grip this man, don't lose your man, I kill him, trust me. And these niggas fooling bitches change, so I'm not trusting. And these bitches, they like honesty, so I'm not trusting. Don't say you love me.
I've been broke to the point, I ain't even wanna breathe no more. I was at my Lord, stealing out the stove, sleeping on my cousin floor. Remember, now I'm up and feel like everybody give a fuck. Since when? I was looking for some love, but I ain't get enough. Back then, they wanna see me win.
Wow.
They ask if I remember. No, you gotta meet me again. Thought I'd never leave the country. All these fella need. Scared to hit licks with niggas, cause they might bail on me. Or worse, tell on me. Man, this shit get ugly. I've been through some shit, you might not wanna love me. Outlaw screaming thug life, only God can judge me. This for all the hoes that played around when I was dusty. Didn't wanna fuck me.
They judge me, but they don't know that I've been broken. I'm just hustling. And I grip this man, don't lose your man, I kill him, trust me. And these niggas fooling bitches. bitches change, so I'm not trusting. Don't say you love me, this shit get ugly. So I grip this 9, don't lose your man, I kill him, trust me. These niggas fooling bitches change, so I'm not trusting. These bitches, they like honesty, so I'm not trusting. Don't say you love me, this shit get ugly.
Duncan, you disappointed your shisho. Kind of disappointed in one thing. Something important, brother. Ugh. Ooh. She got the switch and I gave it a year. Them bitches that wanted me all in the year. Now look at the nigga, I'm man of the year. Darling, you know you my darling. Even though I be working, baby, I can't see you up there. And she go to drop dead. She fresh out the... My bad for the silence, boys. Just gets so boring trying to, like, dude, GJ has been ranging for the freaking since Monday. Ugh. I lost one of my fucking credit cards before I even got to Vegas, dude. In Orlando, one of my Amazon Chase card, I fucking paid it off because I had it fucking, my mom used it for like a trip last year, whatever. I paid it off, which was like a whole fucking $6,000, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put $6,000 into this because I knew I was gonna spend a lot in Vegas. I was like, I'm gonna put $6,000, pay off the credit card, and then I'm gonna just use this credit card, so I don't have to use cash. Oh, and then I paid off like the other Bank of America one, another fucking like $4,000. I was like, all right, and that's why I took out money from the crypto because I was like, I'm gonna also buy a watch when I'm there, and just racked up on, paid off, pull up. Fucking get to the front desk and I'm looking for my hotel card is gone, and I realized the last time I paid for it was in Topgolf. So then I get to the hotel, boom, I have to pay fucking with my other card. I can basically max it out due to the fact that also we paid for cheap flight tickets, right? Yeah. Our tickets were supposedly cheap, about like $400 each. So I paid $800 in tickets. Brother, luggage was like $200. It was like $100. It was like $75 per flight, but we had to take 2 flights, so we're charging us to go there $150 each. And because Maria Laura had 3 fucking luggages, I had to pay mine $150, $300, another $150 her, $600 just to go there, and then to come back another $600. So basically, in tickets alone, it was another $3,000, like $2,000 something. Oh my god, I know it was annoying. Like I just at that point, I was just like, you know what? It's just over. Just is over. And that's why I'm actually buying my watch. I was like, you know what? I spent like over fucking $7,000 and I didn't buy myself shit. Well, I did actually. The last day I started shopping, I was like, fuck that.
You bought a shirt.
I bought a couple shirts. I bought, what else? What else did I go? Yeah. I bought a couple shirts. Bought some Hugo Boss shirts. Bought some All Saints shirts. A little jewelry thing. I pulled up to the Tudor store and they didn't have my watch, so I tried on all the watches. I looked at all the fucking Hublots. I looked at all the watches, and then I just got my size down. That's why I placed my order. What else did I buy? I don't know. I know that I started spending money. Like, oh, I'll show you when it gets here. I bought a little tennis bracelet, tennis chain bracelet. You know, the little diamond one. But that's not even expensive. It was like $400. I don't know, man. I don't really remember. I guess I didn't buy myself much. So I got the watch. It's too expensive though. Every dinner was expensive as fuck. Not too much. It's like going one of those dinners where everything's just a little bit overpriced. Just like, you know, for an appetizer, 30 fucking bucks. For a normal plate, 40, 50 bucks. For a drink, 30 bucks, 20 bucks. And you could go to the cheaper places. Like there was places that were cheaper around the corner. Just no. No. Dude, there's just so much to do. It's hard to try to plan yourself. There's just so much to do. It's an incredible, like.
You went to a place that's on your Instagram?
Which one?
Inside, they were like boring, and then you go somewhere else, and you appear somewhere else, and that's a career.
I mean, my hotel was like that. Like the hotel even had a barber shop that you enter the barber shop, and there's people getting their hair cut. Well, and then like for like a fine ass barber shop, but then if you go to the back door, and you open the back door, you're in a bar, very poppin' bar. I was like, damn, what the fuck? There's a whole bunch of hidden doors everywhere. You just walk into the lobby and you smoke it. It's the best part. Huh? No. I went to the cookie store. Fuck that. I was like, yo, I need to go get bud. And instead of me throwing myself into a fucking place that has 24 stores, and then I was gonna have to like savage for what I wanted, I was like, wait, they got a cookie store. It's the best brand out there. Might as well just go to the cookie store. I went to the cookie store. Yeah, I got what I needed.
You're like, you had a whole plan with
No, we did the whole plan.
Oh, you did the whole plan?
Yeah, we had every restaurant that we had reserved, because you have to reserve the restaurants. We saw all the restaurants. We saw, the only thing that we couldn't do was the show that we had planned and the Ferris wheel. But everything else, we went to every club that we wanted to go to. We went to every day club we wanted to go to. We went to every pool that we wanted to go to. I explored every fucking hotel completely. I got to see every store I wanted to see. I got to the Razer store. I showed Danny there was a Razer store, and they had every single Razer chair, every single Razer computer, every single Razer keyboard, every single. You could just try it out. Ooh, I was so happy in that store they had. I went to the dude. There's just so many. Every store you could think of, they have the AP store there. They have the Richard Mille store there. They got every fucking thing you could think of. They got Jumbo, everything. Dude, there's a museum inside the Ross. You go inside Ross, and Ross is a fucking, it's an illusions museum. It's all connected to each other. Next to it, and then every hotel has theaters, clubs, restaurants, hidden places. Every pool's on like one of the top floors. Everything's crazy, dude. I'm not exaggerating. Like, it's insane. It's insane. I said, how much did the trip cost? I have no idea, brother. I kind of don't want to like calculate the number. Yo, GJ's fucking such a shitty pair to trade.
Oh yes, that's all that you know. Took a risk, I used my wrist, I put my fist in the bowl. Hold on, where this money calling, put that bitch on.
Very boring day.
Every day I wake up, gotta get this paper. I got my cake up, that's probably why they hate her. Hey, hey, I like ice and mud, she like pure codeine. Yeah, yeah. I got plenty bitches listing A to Z. Yeah, yeah. He faking his whole life, it's make believe. Yeah, yeah. Blood stains stuck to me like Maybelline. Yeah, yeah. Bitch, I live that same way you talk back. Mayday, pull up on the spray with them outside. Bang bang, shorty caught him lacking off this locks out. Hey hey, who them looking for me? Y'all done popped out. I been in this shit, bitch. I been a member. I can put that shit on my mama. In a trap house on a daily, baby. I'm forever chasing out the belly. I been on some gang shit, get your brains hit. Shorty, we forever with the drama. He gon' fuck around and lose a hand if he ever playin' with my money. Yeah, yeah. Ay, baby, I'm back on some bullshit. Ain't having no bands, I don't hear what you saying. Them niggas be talking. Ay, my shorty ain't playing. You might end up dead. Put him in a coffin. Ay, I got shit in my head. They don't understand. Don't know what it cost me. Ay, hey, I like ice and mud. She like pure codeine. Yeah, yeah. I got plenty bitches listing A to Z. Yeah, yeah. He faking his whole life, it's make believe. Yeah, yeah. Blood stains stuck to me like Maybelline. Yeah, yeah. Bitch, I live that same way you talk back. Mayday, pull up on the spray with them outside. Bang bang, shorty caught him lacking off this locks out. Hey hey, who them looking for me? Y'all done popped out.
It's so funny. Towards the end of the trip, we started finding out the strategy to get free drinks. You can get any drink you want from the actual bar that you pay $20 a drink for. If you just sit down at a machine and you start playing, or sit down at anything and start playing, and for sure someone will come up to you and they'll ask for a drink, and the drink is free. The only thing you have to do is just give a tip, but you don't have any cash on you, don't tip. She just goes around. She goes, "What do you want? Do you want anything to drink?" And she comes around and she just gives you your drink after like fucking 10 minutes, 15. It's a little bit of a wait. She goes around everywhere, but it's a drink for free just by sitting down and gamble.
Exactly, trying to like, you know, maybe like questions.
Yeah. You could ask for a massage while you play. There's people that were getting massages while they played. While you're at the pool, you can get a massage as well. What are you allowed? We got her a massage. While he played? He must have been like, get the fuck off me. I was in Vegas. That's in Vegas. You walk around the streets of Vegas and there's just a whole bunch of guys that are like hitting their, like imagine they got like little business cards and they're going like this. So like you pass by and there's like 8 guys in a row across the whole street smacking the business card, but they do it with like one hand. They go like, and they don't say anything to you, but they go, and they try to give it to you, and then you get the card, and it's just a whole bunch of prostitute cards. Oh. And then they're like, here, and he's just getting a whole bunch of fucking cards because prostitution's legal there. You also got like the naked girls that walk around the streets, and they like go up to you like, oh, and they start touching you, and they start getting all up on you, and you. They basically assault you, but because they're women, they're allowed to do that. Because if a guy did that shit to some group of girls, that'd be fucking illegal. So they go and they assault you, and then they try to get you to take a photo with them for money. Some other guy threw a snake on me. I have a video of a huge motherfucking snake on me. I just saw him and I was attracted. I was like, I want to touch it. That snake was trying to bite me though. I could tell it kept on turning his face and the guy kept on getting worried. Then do that? Snakes are cool, bro. I saw it and I wanted to go touch it. I gave the guy $10 and everything. Si te da todo que tengo. ¿Tú de qué vas? That's crazy. They trapping hoes out there. Choppy as fuck. I agree. Trap through the streets. Real dope boy. This is gonna melt before it flies. I'm saying that while I'm in a buy. That's so funny. Potentially gonna close a break even. Get the fuck out of this shit. Potentially, not yet. Right now it's still as valid as it was when we first entered.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you be posted up from Sunday to Saturday night. Started hanging with the members, then you blew a few pipes. And you gon' do the dash if you see them blue lights. A lot of people dying, and it's a chance that you might. You got God on your side, but it's hard to do right. Don't pay them haters no man, you can be what you like. Trying to lead us in the past, grinding for a new life. Hard-headed, I grew up resilient. There wasn't no hero, so we looked up to the villains. For generations, bitch, my side of town been drilling. We've been at war ever since the red buildings. It's hard to make peace once blood gets to spilling. Hey, LIVESTREAM get to shooting like he filming.
Did it feel like a waste? Did what feel like a waste? Vegas. No, hell no.
I really love them, so I treat them like my children. Leilani told me stack them bands to the ceiling. I switch my swag up, can't you tell it?
Ooh.
Don't give a cooking.
Girl, if I give you my time, that's a privilege. But I can only give my heart to the realest. Yeah, I know. You be posted up from Sunday to Saturday night.
If I do this shit, in peace. Dude, just keeps on going up. Just keeps it going up.
Shout out to the ones who doubted me, they keep me laughing. Sipping on this cold and got me relaxing. She said she like how I be swagging, she love my fashion. VVS my diamonds, my jewelry flashing. Just so hard I'm making puddles, bitch, my Gucci splashing. Fresh to death like my closet, in the casket. Fresh to death like my closet, in the casket. Yeah, I know. Oh, you be posted up from Sunday to Saturday night. Started hanging with the members, then you blew a few pipes. And you gon' do the dash if you see them blue lights.
Right here, badass. Oh.
You got God on your side, but it's hard to do right. Don't pay them haters no man, you can be what you like. Trying to lead us in the past, running for a new life. Hey, grinding for a new life. Grinding for a new life. Grinding for a new life. Hey.
Hard-headed, I grew up resilient. Euro USD sells? Question mark. Let me see.
Dude, just keeps it going.
Me, y'all done popped out. I just rolled a woody and it's full of Pluto. Ay, fuck around with these bitches, got me feeling like Pluto. Ay, shawty wanna kick it, but I don't know judo. Yeah, bitch, I'm lit and rich, oh yes, that's all that you know. Took a risk, I used my wrist, I put my fist in the bowl. Hold on, where this money calling, put that bitch on the hold. Every day I wake up, gotta get this paper. I got my cake up, that's probably why they hate her. Ay, hey, I like ice and mud, she like pure Godin, yeah, yeah. I got plenty bitches, list from A to Z, yeah, yeah. He faking his whole life, it's make believe, yeah, yeah. Blood stains stuck to me like Maybelline, yeah, yeah. Bitch, I live that same way you talk back.
What are my thoughts on Level Up Society prop firm? I think that they're gonna be able to stick around for a while because they follow the rules. One's in the chat if you guys are still in this trade with me. Who is in this trade with me? Who are the real diamond hand holders? 62 likes, boys. Make sure you guys like up the stream. Make sure if you guys are not in the Discord that you guys join the Discord. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. My private Instagram is there. Oh, we have a free Telegram as well. Nice, Michael. Michael's on the grind. Love it.
Niggas been counting me out, I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit, the game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it, you all on my dick, I'm all in my bag, as hard as it get. I do not store powder, I might take a sip, I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some.
Why are you wearing pink today? This is actually one of my favorite sweaters. It's from my favorite golf company. And ooh, just noticed this is a cool material. And yeah, fucking rock pink. Pink. Wanna know why I like pink? Because that's the color of, oh, never mind. GJ, go, please go. Jesus Christ, we've been waiting here with 102 viewers just in fucking, it's been like 2 hours since we've been in this trade.
Right now, fuck if you feel me, you ain't got a choice. I ain't do no promo, still made all that noise. The shit gon' be different. I set my intentions. I promise to slap all that hate out your voice. Niggas been counting me out. I'm counting my bullets. I'm loading my clips. I'm writing down names. I'm making a list. I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying. The fake ones is lit. The game is off balance. I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty. My sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my dick. I just poured something in my cup. I've been wanting something I can feel. Promise I am never letting up. Money in your palm will make you real. Foot is on their neck, I got them stuck. I'ma give them something they can feel. If it ain't about the squad, don't give a fuck. Pistol in your hand, I'm dead in the middle of 2 generations. I'm little bro and big bro all at once. Just left the lab with young 21 Savage. I'm about to go on me, jigger for lunch. Had a long talk with a young nigga Kodak. Reminded me of young niggas from Ville. Straight out the project, no faking, just honest. I wish that he had more guidance for real. Too many niggas in cycle of jail, spending their birthdays inside of a cell. We coming from a long bloodline of trauma. We raised by our mamas, Lord, we gotta heal. We hurting our sisters, the babies as well. We killing our brothers, they poison the well. Distorted self-image, we settle to fail. I'ma make sure that the real gon' prevail. Yeah. I just poured something in my cup. I've been wanting something I can.
I'm pretty sure our sweaters are supposed to be getting done pretty soon. No, he didn't make them yet. He had to get home and make them. He didn't tell me that. Jesus Christ. Where you work, Bricked? What do you do? What do you do? That boy definitely took the offer. He was trying to see if we would accept it being okay. I don't judge. Do 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 Oh my god. Jesus Christ, Guadam. I wish he would have done that with my live account. This guy says that he let like his cousin, baby cousin, play with his phone, and his cousin opened up F4 and started taking trades. And his cousin was up like 10K on his account.
That's
I got oil, I got hill, I got wax, I got flow. A1's on for feeling like Rocco. Big spinner, took a jet to Morocco. I got pretty women showing titties like I'm Flacco. I came in a hard top, I'm still in the drop though. I can make the chart drop whenever I want drop some. I can get my big bro a dime, he'll pop some. These niggas not real slime, they imposter. I know that my odds somewhere now playing possum. I come from a different type of cloth, we don't gossip. Pussy nigga acting like it's up, we'll drop him. She digging the rocks in my hero, I'm a roster. Come from out the trench, getting paid like a pop star. I be selling weed by the P like a roster. Who was in the car, only me and a chopper. I can make they heart stop if I decide to pop up. I can make a million every money, don't drop none. I found out a way to make it.
All prop firms calling their accounts virtual now. Haha, MFF aftermath is funny. No, Bottas is not in my room. What the hell's wrong with you guys? Soon? Oh my god.
You shouldn't tweak with the tweakers cause we bug. Tryna get high, so I'm pouring the lean up. Not with the net pussy boy, we can link up. You can get popped, you can get dropped. Brand new trap with some new Reeboks. That's a brand new pot, that's a brand new rock. Brand new custos, brand new guap. Make some brand new bands for a brand new watch. And I heard niggas mad, got some brand new ops. So I spent a couple bands, got some brand new Glock. We gon' put up on his ass, it's a brand new shot. We gon' shoot him in the head, we gon' leave a nigga dead. We gon' put him in the grave in a brand new spot. I remember them days when a nigga wasn't paid.
Play some Indian songs, let viewers vibe. That's, dude, what's up with this trade, boys? Jesus Christ, we've been in this for a minute. I'm still bullish on this current price action that we're having right now. Like, nothing wants me to get out of this trade. It's just we're watching paint dry here. Weekly flipped bullish, now potentially gonna flip bearish. We could see a little bit of drawdown in this trade before we actually start rallying. We still have our SMAs as strong levels of support that are still moving, and well, I don't like that our 50 is right here. Nonetheless, that 8 isn't going up. Yeah, boys, I don't think we're gonna buttermelt through our trade, so we'll see what happens with the current price action, if we're gonna end up closing at break even or if we should just hold the trade out all the way through. But I mean, higher levels of support have been being held. No volume. That's exactly the fact. There's no volume. No volume. It's funny. Ask Adrian for Nifty 50. You guys want to check out the Nifty 50? How many likes do we have on the stream right now? 71 likes. We're gonna do a giveaway at 100 likes. So if you guys want to do a giveaway, we will do a giveaway at 100 likes. I'm not gonna last much longer on stream, boys, especially with price moving like this. We haven't gone anywhere. We've literally gone nowhere, and I'm not even just saying that to just say it. Now I feel like I'm like, this is where we've gone. In the last 2 hours, we've moved 19.8 pips. And in the last 2 hours, we have moved 19.5 pips. 19.8. I'm sorry. Jesus. Fuck. And now it's coming down on me. Good morning. How are you doing? I am doing well, brother. I am doing well. Four-hour DJ range. This is your sell entry. I like it. I like it. If you're taking a sell right now, that means that this should probably reject and go up right now. I like it. Who's the trader that you guys said is that's calling out sells right now? What's his name? You guys said like King Abe? King Abe? Is that what his name is? What the fuck is that? I'm about to fucking look for who King Abe is and tell him that he's about to get clapped. Oh yeah, this guy's definitely about to get clapped. Take GJ buys, sir. Bim, 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 bim. Duncan, can you explain the trade? Yes. So tell Lorenzo trader to take 5 cells. Damn, 2 people are taking cells. Last month they came in. All right, so all right, what we have here is higher levels of support that is being formed and held after this huge impulse movement that we had to the upside. I think this is a little bit of a seller's trap here due to the fact that I consider this right here being the range, right? This is the range that we have drawn out. The only thing that we did was have a down channel, side channel, up channel. Right here, we have bullish flag formation. You know, this one right here, you guys see the bull flag? This is the impulse. throw a fib bottom to high. And then we have our 0618 that is right here at this 8 SMA. So I'm not scared to drop down through the fact that I know that I have a fib long, an SMA, whole bunch of levels of reversals right there that could hold me up, right? Also, we have from those two zones that we had drawn out, this being support level right here, and this being resistance, we have a liquidity grab, which was the news. Price melted and then completely recovered it. Price melted and completely recovered. Yes, we haven't broken these highs since Monday, but we also have not broken the lows, right? We did break the lows and then just completely reversed back up. So what do we call this? A liquidity grab. If we're liquidity grabbing to the downside and then going upwards, what does that mean? That means that we have bullish momentum, right? We're liquidity grabbing to stop out the freaking buyers. We want to stop out the buyers. Why? Because we want to go back up with pure liquidity, take all their money, keep on going up to the upside, not get scalped. And now looking at the price, how it's moving right now, potentially we're gonna go into a drawdown. I'm telling you, if you guys don't want any drawdown because you guys are over leveraging, then you guys should hop out the trade and you know, or just throw the correct lot size. You know, we have 30 pip stop loss here. I understand that drawdown could be a possibility, but I as well understand that this is bullish candlestick, bullish candlestick, bullish candlestick, bullish candlestick. Right now we have a bearish candlestick. Nonetheless, there's a little bit of a retracement coming from all this bullish price action. I am going to ride the bull run up until it stops here. If we get stopped out, it's because we got the bias wrong. It's that simple. We're actually going to go bullish tonight. We will not get stopped out. We will actually be able to catch more than a 1-1. We're going to be able to potentially catch 8-1 to 2, maybe even a 1-3. Depends how much momentum comes. Depends if we're just going to range up until the FOMC meeting that we have at 2 o'clock. Woo! Boys, if we don't start moving, I'm gonna have to just get off, and this is the trade that we're sending, and then it is what it is. I'm getting tired.
I'm locked up again, starting that station faithfully. Now I'm the golden child, I used to think my mama hated me. Ain't budging about no problems, what a nigga gon' come take from me. I heard you a robber on that concrete, you gon' lay the seats. This 40 waving like a blow dry.
So I think I'll go set on big sells right now.
Real niggas dying, it seem like heaven is the place to be. No, my grandma still with me when it get cold, I feel spirit. Talking to my little sister, phone calls. Do securities, walking toward them shackles. See my mama, her eyes tearing. Trying to work towards these blessings, but the devil keep interfering. Everybody go through something, it's all about persevering. They was counting me out, I put passion in every lyric. Fuck a sack up at Neiman, spend some racks on my appearance. Yeah, I know that they hate, I'm the man, they trying to hear it.
From 182 870. Oh yeah, you're definitely good.
Boy, you in these streets better look left and right. Cause them niggas out here killing it, take your life. Kill them, now he out of mind.
Oh my god, what happened to Virgil?
Roll them in the kitchen with the Caroline. And I'm still around with the fellas. Every morning we trapping and then we kill at night. For these blessings when I wake up in the morning. Prayed through the struggle, now we shining in them forests. Look like that's my brother, he don't ask while I'm performing. We don't fuck with you if you ain't gang, you not important. We are not for none, nigga, this a friendly warning. Look like he like Katie, ain't no stopping him from scoring. Chopper clapping loud, got it sounding like it's storming. Like we playing
Jesus Christ, gold actually ended up going long. That's a solution, we got some more problems. We from a sandbox, my Dawson's a taller. 16 years old when I shot my first chopper. Trust the setup. Sometimes I just pray that I'ma make it out. Remember begging in that basement trying to break it down. Told my brother I love you, cross me, I'll take it out. Niggas flexing with dollars, then we gon' Why is gold flying and GJ's not doing anything? Interesting. Very scary. Why do I have a bunch of cowboy here, bro? When I say his name, it sounds like I'm saying cowboy. Duncan, do you know? Navin, is he trying to make me say some weird shit?
I feel like a free slave, you know. I feel like I've been targeted by certain people. Just being out in the streets, somebody knew they could take your freedom at any time. You got cops, you see they charge me F1 felonies. They see me riding a bike. That kind of says it all. You get F1 felonies when you shoot somebody. When you stab somebody.
That is true.
Riding a bike, you know. My freedom online, unfortunately.
Up until I'm not in profit, all these guys are suckers. When I go into drawdown, I'll accept defeat. But while I'm $1 in profit, I am the king of GJ. The flash crash. I know what you're talking about. The 2010 flash crash maker. That's the guy that lived in his freaking mom's house, and then he knew how to fucking scalp the fucking market. Oh, I know what you're talking about. That guy was a motherfucking beast, and he made a whole bunch of money, and he just fucking didn't do shit with it. What did you tell me, Glenn?
Shooting like hard, and if your head was the rim, cause niggas wanna line me like a shape up in a trim down. Back when I was broke, they was cool with it. Now every move I make, I'm in the news with it. Even if I ain't do it, they be like, you did it. My teacher always.
That guy was a neighbor of Baras? Don't say that for real.
And while I'm rapping like I got something to prove, nigga. When they bought the mansion with the pool in it. Billy with the stab, I get a two with it. Move with it, cause these niggas wanna take my life. No weapon form against me every time I pray at night. Scuba thotties in the phantom, that's the way of life. And make them fuck they best friends like that was dice. Reaching for the Glock every time I play the light. I'm on 12 o'clock every time I play them bikes. I'm with the pack, getting back, yeah. Spin dope, nigga, selling smack, gang. I'm getting chips off music like rap snacks, yeah. 10 million cash off Africa, that's fact. Money, power, respect, Ian brothers on the jet. I know these niggas upset, they ain't see me fall yet. Wins and loss. They wanna see me fall.
Shoosh.
I will never sell my soul. I'm on some shit that they ain't seen before. Dream chasing, catching all my goals. And I don't need these hoes. I'm getting money, me and all my woes. Play with me, you know it's all I want. The young niggas going all out for.
Dude, this chart's not doing shit. That is so funny.
Tell them my business on Wendy, niggas gossip like queens. We been serving fiends. 40 bust your windows out, Jasmine Sullivan. They told them pop mollies, I told them to be kings. Sipping 1942 like it's lean. I done seen all these niggas try to downplay my dreams. So I'ma give it to them every time I'm on the scene. Pull up ghost. Rafe when you see me. Some suckers wanna be me and some suckers wanna leave me. I know it. I go through it, don't show it. I told niggas who wrote it ain't taking back what I
do something, man.
Flip that to a half.
Is that to me or is that to the charts? The chart moves slower than crypto, right?
Now every killer in my city trying to look for his ass. And one thing about Meek Millie, I'ma get to it back. Had to starve all day just to get to it fast. Like Ramadan, toting K's like it's Palestine. Real niggas in my IBNs, bottom line. Ever since I met Ross and signed a dotted line. I gave my mama 10,000 at least 1,000 times. Do the math.
Yeah, you did say gold longs.
They wanna see me fall, and I will never sell my soul. I'm on some shit that they ain't seen before. Dream chasing, catching all my goals. And I don't need these hoes. I'm getting money, me and all my woes. Play with me, you know it's all out for. The young niggas going all out for us. Talking. This my cocky flow. Damn, Daniel, why you soundin' Mr. Miyagi though?
Push.
That rose gold patty call me like 94. Mean nothing to me, I tell you how I got it though. Rain sleep. On that corner when the block I was slow. Everybody was trying to track, we started popping no. Heard that bitch said she cut me, I was like, adios.
One day I'm gonna make a dope ass reel like that, boys. I'm gonna fucking like, I'm gonna go like, boom or some shit, and then this price is just gonna pop, and then we're gonna go fucking viral. Yo, this is not going anywhere right now. These boys, I'm gonna have to call it very soon. I'm gonna call it. We're gonna leave the trade how it is. Blow, bitch. Go. Go. More. Motherfucker. Kind of working high key. Just get Mamba FX to call a buy Mr. 57-0 or something.
I'm in a relationship with all my bitches, yeah. I need to cut some of them off, I need help. I got some bad things I want to myself. Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need help. I know how to make the girl go crazy. When you treat her like your number one baby. Put my bitches on yachts, we don't do jet skis. Put your ice on rocks, they need to help me.
Nah, I haven't seen the remix. I'm not sure what you're talking about. I need to cut some off my dog, I need help. Some bad things I wanna tell myself. I take the time to cut her off, I need help. Gold's still going? Yeah. Well, boys, we are about to get to the 3-hour mark of the stream. 3 hours is where I'm starting to call it. Oh, honestly, it's not even about the 3 hours. It's most likely just about the fact that I'm not going anywhere. In the last, we'll go from here. In the last 2 hours and 10 minutes, we have moved 22 pips. In the last 2 hours and 10 minutes, we have moved 22 pips. Yeah. Go, motherfucker. Where your location? Florida. I'm from Florida. I'm from Florida, but my wrist Cuban. Throw them in that water. I'm from Florida, but my wrist Cuban. I need it and I ain't tripping. I get to it when I get to it. That's that weed blowing, leading, pouring, real gangster music. Alright, this song better make price fly. This is gonna be the new hype song if this works, boys. Florida boy music. But my wrist Cuban. No.
But my wrist Cuban, threw him in that water, I'm from Florida, but my wrist Cuban. Hula hoop the brick, I had to break it down to zero. You can't show a nigga love, cause all that love shit get you killed. With my brothers right or wrong, I up that fire right off the rail. 150 in the club, we gon' keep that bitch on tilt. Yeah, bumper to bumper, I'm in Rancho Cucamonga. I just snuck in with that thumper, nigga. Yeah, thumper for thumper, everyone gon' live they karma. Ain't no order, ain't no honor, nigga. Yeah, them niggas rats, I said what's up, they broke they neck and no one up, it ain't no stompers with them. Yeah, them niggas rats, I said what's up, they broke they neck and no one up, it ain't no stompers with them.
Yeah, Eric, you're probably right. There's not going to be any volume up until we have news. Throw him in that water and feel like a shark.
Got these niggas mad, I took off and I kicked the dough in. Tell them I can't ride a show if they don't let the bros in. Won't put my trust inside no hoe, know how these bitches going. They like you snapping, you the one, lil' bro, you chosen. I'm just trying to get that bad, no, I ain't trying to be famous. You ain't talking about no motion, you don't speak my language. Them rats, they got me limping with a walk, I need my cane, bitch. And all my niggas trying to get that guap, we on the same shit.
Oof, boys. We have been failing by trading GJ. Just wasting time. That's what it feels like. This is what it feels like. Bam, 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 bam.
And I'm with my dog like it's guarded with my gadget in. What's up in my pocket? It's a 30 like a Percocet. Who that in my spliff? Never mind, I'll be considerate. Oh lord, no cooling kit, just boom a nigga kit. Niggas always asking who they with, I'm who my niggas with. Niggas always asking me for shit, but never gave me piss. Even times when I needed a lift, niggas left me grits. Yo, she looking at me and she licking her lips.
One was crazy. I met this guy before, multiple times. He was friends with the people that I was friends with. He's dope. He's actually a really cool person. Alright, drawdown is most likely incoming, boys. If you guys do not want to go through drawdown, get the fuck out the trade right now. Because I am pretty convinced now that we're going to see a little bit of drawdown. I'm also pretty convinced that we're not going to go anywhere, not to our stop loss or our take profit. So I am getting ready to end the stream, boys. Why is every other pair moving but GJ?
Told me he been on some positive shit, yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times.
Always been a little mathematician.
Talking out my ass, boy, you ain't shit with a
All
my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out.
Brick, you sacrificed yourself for us? It usually does fly when people start sacrificing themselves. Got you, brother. Anytime. Oh, my patience is dying, boys. My patience is dying. You guys know that I come to the stream and I take 1 to 2 trades max. It's usually 1 trade. I don't recall the last time we've taken 2 trades. So like the trade is what it is. I don't really feel like even closing on it because I still think that there's a chance. I mean, it's the same trade we took. Like, nothing's happened. It's the same buys. It's the same trade. Throw him in that water and it feels like a shark. Ooh, Daywalker. I love it. That's how you know he's a real one, part of the team. Man. I want a sandwich so bad right now. I wish my girlfriend was up. I'm gonna text her and see if she wakes up. These days seen rappers be dying way before they even getting they shine. I never even heard a little buddy. Just somebody murder little buddy. Now I'm on the phone searching little buddy name. Gotta play his tunes all day in my room. Levon tried telling us. Some niggas just gotta go lay in a tomb. And media thirsty for clicks. I got a new rule. If you ain't ever posted a rapper when he was alive, you can't post about him after he get hit. It's simple. It's the principle. On any tempo, I'm invincible. Did I just cut off the music? Boys, how many subscribers have we gotten? We are so close to hitting 3,000 subscribers. That would be insane if we hit 3,000 subscribers tonight. I don't think it's close to being possible, but we're getting there. Did Donvo take his 2 pips already? Throw him in that water and it feels like a shark. My track record is available in the link below. This chart right now, this setup right here is a little representation of how this month has been going so far though. So don't shit on me for just 1 month.
I just flew to London, told her chill out. Yeah, all the smoke and a function with my grill out. Yeah, anybody got a problem, pull a mill out. Yeah, invoice for the fuck creep, pull a bill out. Yeah, got a bad thing in Mumbai, cooking pill out. Yeah, rich junkie, I hop on the stage with a pill out.
He hit a million. A million on what? A million subscribers on YouTube? Thanks for the support, Glenn. Truly appreciate all the support, boys. Oh, he hit $1 million on his own. Oh shit. Sheesh kebab. Alright boys, I'm gonna have to let you guys go. This does look like it's about to go through a little bit of drawdown. I'm still holding my trade. Looks like I might do a little bit of a head and shoulders action right here, but I don't see it going all the way to here. See ya. I love it. How you guys know the cue. Bro's working his The lobby doesn't have sides, man. Alright boys, we're gonna see some drawdown here. I'm gonna disappear before we go through the drawdown. I love you boys. Thank you for supporting the channel. It's been a shitty week. It's been a decent month. Not shitty, I don't want to be so negative, but it hasn't been the best month. The month has been going like this. Clear representation, straight break evens and weird ass choppy price actions. Till next time, boys. VIP members, I think I'm gonna have to do a VIP session for you guys. You guys don't expect Miguel. Miguel's dead, or maybe. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe bad. Yeah, VIP members, I got you. I'll probably do a stream with you guys, so we could take advantage of the FOMC. Well, actually, Miguel could be possibly up for the late FOMC meeting. That is super possible. So, not all trades are out the door, but yeah, the little empanada reboot will be straight. Alright, boys. Much love to everybody. Peace.
Young gun don't want that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun don't want that, they working my nerves. I'm about to pour some serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back, grab a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beat with P Litty. QP ski. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties. It's up to the ceiling. I let her run through 1,000,000. I rock with her, really, let's fuck on 1,000,000,000. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them hold with precision. Givers my only decision. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Yeah. 10:40.
D-Major, baby.
I've been scarred by your love, left my heart bleeding. My soul posted in the shadows with some dark demons. I'm on the E-way in a fast foreign car speeding. 223 spit out quick when that chopper ringing. We ain't never ducking beef, bitch, we not vegan. My little niggas bout that action, they be Glock squeezing. Red beams on his head, now his top leaking. I heard that boy got man down and now the ops grieving. I miss Mike Durb, I won't forget the things you used to say. My friends got killed on the same block where we used to play. I know that death come unexpected, you can't choose a day. I swear I popped so many pills, shit got me losing weight. 1 minute life was so hard, shit had me losing faith. I know my haters shaking on me, I've been doing great. I couldn't get wrapped up in that drama, had to move away. Everything could change depending on what you do today. You gotta live with each decision that you choose to make. I used to hustle to survive, I found a newer way. Remember high speeds in that hawk, trying to lose the jakes. You got your life in your hands until you lose the case. So much potential in the lives these niggas threw away. They dreaming about my freedom every night, I used to pray. I got that check and stay loyal, make sure my shooter's straight. Heard he went unidentified, them hollows chewed his face. I've been scarred by your love, left my heart bleeding. My soul posted in the shadows with some dark demons. I'm on the E-way in a fast foreign car speeding. 223 spit out quick when that chopper ringing. We ain't never ducking beef, bitch, we not vegan. My little niggas bout that action, they be Glock squeezing. Red beams on his head, now his top leaking. I heard that boy got man down and now the ops grieving. Lil' duck hop out in traffic, let them things bust. Let Joe be bugging, he'll make you get your chain up. This shit too deep, no, I can never get my gang up. Should've never be the same, them trenches changed us. My niggas gone, I miss them days when we came up. If I could be with you, get all the money and the fame up. That pain was so unbearable, I almost gave up. First we was broke, but now I'm swerving in that range truck. We was wildin' in them streets, a savage what they named us. When there's violence on our side of town, they blame us. Smith and Wesson torture nigga, he get flamed up. Them 40 shells crack his head, fuck your brain up. I've been scarred by your love, left my heart bleeding. My soul posted in the shadows with some dark demons. I'm on the E-way in a fast foreign car speeding. 223 spit out quick when that chopper ringing. We ain't never ducking beef, bitch, we not vegan. My little niggas bout that action, they be Glock squeezing. Red beams on his head, now his top leaking. I heard that boy got man down and now the ops grieving.
What inside this bitch, I'm just two-stepping ball on everyone. When they got up big, I ran it up, they flipped off everyone. I just got these racks, I boost it up, cause I'm not real, son. Shooter ready, go, they ready, blaze, they hit up everyone. Every time I didn't give a shit, I still went #1. And my pockets filled with money, bitch, like fucking schmuck. Yeah, I just pulled up out of Paris, then hit St. Laurent. Yeah, we heard you still live with your parents, you a fucking bum. No, you not been smoking no gas, you not smoking no run. I ain't never gonna tell you twice, only gonna tell you once. Rolling up the Miley. Rolling in the bill, but rolling up the rolling. But a Motorola for my Yola, I was selling. And you was telling. We heard you was this snitch, you can ride with us with some feelings. Everything I do be going viral. My face just like a code, they read my Bible. Bitch, you think you really rich, you just been lied to. Wow. I just swerving at the coupe, pussy at the block. Yeah, fucking on my thigh, made her sit the walk. And she sucking on my cock, she do that a lot. Yeah, I can't fold you up. With my test, I just went about. Yeah, I just went a flash, but I'm not gonna crawl. Yeah, the thief in the night, but that pussy gon' call. Yeah, even though you was a hater, you still in my zone. Yeah, put up my shit on the vape, then I bustin' her, yeah, then I told her to go. Yeah, I don't be fucking with nobody, they just be sniffing that shit like a snow. They sniffing that shit like a globe. Every my finger, they be like a pole. Yeah, I better blow. I better go up, I'm about to explode. I'm about to expose you. No summer been like my bro. No, I can't wait me a hole. Chill my brother, my twin, my bird. Big body steals of the biz of the big body land, but they big better. Yeah, had to put up like a Yankee in London, my shaky, the big better. Yeah, I better slice you. I better dice it, it's not nice. Yeah. Put you inside of a bag to fill it with rice, fill it with lice. I do went there with my money, then I fucked it up again, made it go thrice. Yeah, I ain't even working nobody head up, so I calling my phone over his ice. I let my diamond, they smacking the shit out of you like the motherfucking lights. I think you really been bugging me, yeah. That's some motherfucking lights. Me and my Twitter insane. He in that night. You thought he gon' give me the brain. She suck it all night. You thought he gon' give me the brain. Boy, inside this bitch, I'm just who steppin' ball on everyone. When they got a big, I ran it up, they flipped off everyone. I just got the race, I boost it up, cause I'm like real son. Shooter ready, go, they ready, blaze, they hit up everyone. Every time I didn't give a shit, I still went #1. And my pockets filled with money, bitch, like fucking smug. Yeah, I just put up out of Paris, then hit St. Laurent. We heard you still live with your parents, you a fucking bum. No, you not been smoking no gas, you not smoking no run. I ain't never gonna tell you twice, only gonna tell you once. Rolling under, rolling under, rolling up the Miley. Rolling under, rolling under, rolling in the bill, but rolling under, rolling. But I'm on